live. Woo! Frost the technician, boy. I'm telling you, boy. I be trying, boy.
Nigga, it only took me 3 hours.
3 years.
I said artist. It took 1 hour on the dot. It took 1 hour, bro.
Took forever to wash them clothes. Damn.
But you fix that stream for months.
Bro, it's so hard for me,
Look at somebody who
bro.
probably get that bounce right here.
But Tucky told me I had to
Get
learn
that
how to
bounce
do
right
it
here. Push back.
myself. You get me? But there it is.
Swing push back down right here.
Who needs this? Who needs them assistants, bro? All right, man. I love y'all, bro. I'm sorry if I was frustrated, bro. I was frustrated a little bit. Ooh, I was frustrated with that, bro. They just took 27 out of my account. I don't even got right now, boy. Boy.
$27.
Yeah, Streamlabs, boy. They don't let me stream on my
After that
home.
pullback right here, we ready to get down to that 693.
Yeah, that bounce scared you, didn't it? It's crazy.
Nah, I did not. Shit, I cut my losses and got my little
You took the perfect setup and got scared, cuz that's crazy.
I
It's
did take the
alright.
perfect setup. I look. See, that's the thing. I need to learn that discipline, bro. Cause hey, man, I
I
know when
I be telling Trey, I be scared as hell. Have my money
it
fluctuating
goes
in
back
that
to what
shit.
them niggas was saying, man. You be quick to cut your wins, but you be fucking holding on to them losses.
Oh God, right? Oh God. So
Man,
that's why we did a video one time. We was
I
talking
gotta see
about
what
that
what
shit.
that motherfucker doing, man. I gotta trust my analysis, cause like I said, I don't know everything, but like I know some shit. Watch this pull back to where I said it was at 693.20,
I,
693.30.
what Apple got earnings?
I wanted to catch that whole dollar pullback, but I'll be alright. Probably enough though.
One second, I'm gonna go to the moon. Hold on one second.
Nah, man, it's too much fraudulent shit going on. The government shut down. I don't see it pushing up no higher. Like I see it, this type of my analysis, this is gonna be a real red flag. I don't see it going below 688. Right below 688, we finna go down back to 27. Shit. Yeah, 689. Nah, I don't see it coming up below that either. 45. Way too much value right there at that 691. Woo! I'ma see you through. I'ma take you back. Take you back. Excuse me. Excuse the freak out of me. What the hell? $1,000. If you like to be like me. Remember playing that game back in the day, cuz?
Hell yeah, bro. One of the biggest ones that I've had you'll
Diggers
probably
on
ever meet.
GameCube.
Yo,
Yeah, I had that shit on GameCube. That shit was so addicting.
what did what? Who did? I will.
SpongeBob playing on the
Oh
GameCube.
no, no, I don't do that.
Love SpongeBob though.
Bro, y'all be playing Roblox?
Not me. I'm not much of a Roblox
Bro,
gamer.
y'all gotta chill with that, bro. I ain't finna do that.
Wanna see truth.
Bro, why y'all trying to pull RR and Archer and back and PL back?
Why you trying to pull Archer Archer back?
You heard what I said? And PL back, yeah.
I don't listen to you, bro. I don't
Yeah,
know what you were saying. I didn't
yeah,
listen to it.
yeah.
Messing with your
Why
man.
y'all
I don't know what
pull?
he's saying though.
Why y'all trying to pull everything back? Oh, hold on, Chucky, bro. You better be careful, Chucky, bro.
Be careful, bro.
You
What?
better be careful, Chucky.
Bro, they try to pull it back, but
I'm already about.
what is going
We
on,
got
bro?
like 43% on that pullback. I
Hold
ain't
on,
even
bro.
look. Like literally, that one red candle you see, I made probably 100% of that.
Ugh.
Yeah, but they're doing some weird stuff right here, bro.
I'm already out, cuz. What are you talking about?
I know it.
I'm already. You better be careful. I'm already out. I made my little 40 got out.
What they're trying to do to us right here,
Marcus
Trey.
Marcus in the mouth.
I gotta put some more money
Uh,
in here, bro.
nothing. Marcus in the middle of nowhere. He ain't doing so. I'm just
It is
waiting for
Bitcoin
him to
no
make his
man's land
move,
right
cuz.
there. I see some support up here, but the volume don't support that enough for me. That's why I'm predicting a nice pullback. It's gonna pull back up, back and forth all day, I think. Just because where the volume's gonna make a play on. 696. What you think of it? 691. Three, 691. 3, 691. Whole little area right there. 691. I wish I'd have caught it this morning, boy, because just following the strategy that I've been studying lately, boy, if I'd have got on this morning, I had to whip over with my kids, but if I'd have got on this earlier, boy, what was that at? 689 all the way up, I would have caught that joint for sure. Almost 100% of that just caught. Yeah, I'd have caught most of that. Three almost $4 pool, I'd have caught most all that. I've been studying these volumes and shit, volume markings and shit. Anchored volume profiles, the fixed strings volume profiles.
Oh, those are what, indicators?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Well, I
Oh.
think they're like they're volume based project. They're on your if you're on the SPY, it's on the left side over there where your projection shit is.
Hmm.
If you look where your projections is and look at the very bottom, it's volume based. Those two bottoms. But I did change my colors around. It kind of helped me look at it see it a little better, stand out a lot more.
Oh, music blue bell.
Thanks a lot for that, Chucky, man. That's a great, that's great
Yeah.
stuff. That is a good indicator.
Yeah, that's a great indicator. But like I said, just all indicators are good indicators. You just gotta know how to use them. Every tool is a good tool, but you don't know how to use the tool, motherfucker. It ain't a good tool for you. You know what I mean?
Mm.
Trying to hammer in a nail with a fucking screwdriver. Right tool, not for that job. Right tool, wrong strategy. The goal, if we break this right here, going to the moon. Break that resistance. Trying to trap some people, boy. I'm looking at that EMA shit, buddy. That shit may jump. I Can it give you some good points of interest though?
What happened?
What good points you do? Oh,
What did I do? What did I do?
Twenty to one. I would put it on the 20 to 16, 17, 18, 19. Thirteen, 16,
Get
17,
out of it!
18, 19, 16,
That's why I get out of it.
16, 17, 18, 19.
And Frost, like, is it 18?
Josh like a loss. That's ugly. That's ugly. Okay. Uh,
And is it always like a daily cycle like this?
Twenty.
Oh, what a move.
It's freaking messed up. My days on here, man. 10G and G. 23, 24,
come on,
27,
pull back at the top.
33, 34, 35, 36,
Are they doing it right now with you right now?
33.
What index is running guys today? Wall Street, what index? What is your previous support? Wall Street. What direction you see it at? That's the cloud and mass. We can't put on shorts yet, okay? But this is the first time since I we are here, and this is a hit.
Oh, I don't see it, bro.
did you don't see your setup?
No. I know what my setup is. I'm talking about these. Hell, I got my computer worked on, and my chart, my
Can I went long
trading
at the top?
notes got mixed up. So I'm putting them back in order, and I don't see some of the
And
days
Frost
that I
is
put on.
bullish, right? And then here we go for massive.
Did you have them on have each file like labeled a specific way?
Yeah, they're labeled by date.
Okay. I can search it. I'll open up two different folders. Search it on the left and drag it to the right to where you want it.
I so I have them in order based on
No, I get what you're saying
date
though.
on the
I was
desktop.
saying I was trying to show you how to handle it.
No. I know how to. So all right, so on the desktop, right? I can find them in folders, right? They're all in order in folders, not on my desktop. and if I drag it from folder to desktop, then it'll duplicate the file, which is not what I want.
I keep them duplicated. You have an extra backup
I got
just in
them on a
case.
hard drive already.
Okay. You just trying to reorganize the folders or what's in the folders?
Organize my desktop.
Oh, okay, reorganize the actual outside of files, like
Yeah,
your main home screen on your
yeah.
desktop. Okay.
This is a 130.
Did you see that nigga get his toupee knocked off during they lost one fight?
Yeah.
You
I
know that
saw.
I
nigga.
don't know why that nigga would. I don't even know why he would wear a toupee with
Nah, he told it after the fight. He told the story why he wore it. The nigga said he went to his mama's house and was trying to wash his hair, so he grabbed some shit from some bottles she had look like shampoo.
there.
Yeah, he said that shit ended up ammonium or something, chloride ammonium or some shit. Long story short, he said his whole hair started falling out like a day or two before the fight. So he told his mom.
So he was thinking about his hair the whole time he was fighting. Got fucked up.
That might have been what it was. I can't see it. It could have been because he was a dude. Nigga was a fighter for like 10 years.
He was thinking about his shit the whole time. He got fucked up, bro.
Yep. Yep. Sidetracked.
Worrying about the wrong things. You know what I'm
I'd have just came out there looking like Kimbo. Fuck it.
saying? Fucked him up to get there.
Yeah, fuck it. Look like Kimbo Slice and rock this shit. That's one thing I never get on the fake hair. I ain't wearing no toupees. I don't need no spray on hairlines.
Yeah,
Man, you get me.
no, I
Whenever
ain't
my
wearing no
shit
fake
start,
hair.
yeah, whenever my shit start going how it goes, straight up the forehead.
That's how it is, though. You know what I'm saying? LeBron, he a G. You
I
get
said,
me?
nigga, that's women shit. I said, nigga, next thing you know, we just start getting motherfucking beards and all type of shit.
They do be doing
Wig,
that.
wigs and shit.
I ain't doing that.
Yeah, that's what Twan be using. He's a barber, so he be spraying that shit on. I got my hair cut over. Don't spray that shit on my head, buddy. You sitting here trying to convince me to use it and everything. I done got comfortable, nodded off. And I woke up, this nigga spraying some shit on me.
It don't even look. It don't even look real.
Swear
Natural.
to God, don't even be. Man, I can't get mad at a nigga spraying shit on my motherfucking head. And you just now starting to use that shit, so you don't even know how to use it for real. You just over there trying to practicing on
That
niggas.
nigga practicing on you.
Yeah, practicing on everybody. You in the barbershop or some bullshit.
Microsoft gonna break the
They
heck
used
out.
it a little bit in barber school, but not that much though. And I feel like that's when you fuck the nigga up. They got their hairline fucked up. You get mad out of the barbershop shit.
Microsoft gonna break out, ain't it, Trey?
25. Hold on, cuz. It's at 25,
Sorry,
23.
I'll pull it up for you.
It's not on here. 10, 25, 23. I don't see it on here.
Motherfuckers trying to break out there.
You may have to delete all that shit, cuz, and re-bring it
Hell
over
no.
off the hard drive.
No,
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 I'm
no,
saying you
no,
said
no,
you had
no.
it on the hard drive already in there.
Yeah, but it's all. I already have it on here. I don't want to. I don't want to delete it and
Or not
uh
necessarily delete it, but
retransfer them over because I've edited some of them post
prior to hard drive to be
updating to
uploaded
the
on the hard
hard
drive.
drive. What's up,
Look at
bro?
Yeah,
Tesla.
hard drives daily, buddy, on daily. I would update that motherfucker. Just for little situations like this, having a backup on low.
Well, the
I don't
market
even
is.
back
I
up
don't
my
want to
shit
pull
from
back right
cloud or
here.
nothing either. Motherfuckers still hear shit out too loud.
About to try some calls here in a second, bro. It's making a double top too, so this is a risky play.
Yeah, it's well oversold, and it's trying to pull back, but it just can't.
Way over so, buddy.
It cannot
Tell them
pull
pull up
back.
that volume. Pull up that volume on that shit. See what it tell you.
It
Straight
cannot
pullback.
pull back right here.
Volume is so low at that top of it.
It's like I think like on
Yeah,
this RSI
but
though.
value is one of those things you really can't trust though, to be honest,
Value.
because yeah, because a
You
lot
can
of
trust it to an extent.
market
I wouldn't trust it. Go ahead. You were saying.
market can market. I've seen plenty of days where market there's no value pushing market in a specific direction, but market will still trend that way the full
Which
day
way does
or
it normally trend?
majority of
Go
the
up
day.
or down? Or you see like
Either way, like either way,
All right,
I've
here we
seen
go.
market have low value to the upside
Here
and
we
just
go. We
keep
just got
trending
below
the
the
day,
50.
and I've seen market have low value to the downside and keep trending the day.
we ready to go up from here right here.
Uh huh.
We ready to go up.
So you can't really trust. You can't really trust. You can only trust value, like we said, to an extent. Not
Where
really.
would you buy your cars at right here? Cause
Not right here. It will
no,
pull
I'm
back
not
to
saying right here, but I'm saying like where you ready to get them at.
around 694 and 20 some maybe.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, okay, I see it. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's see.
Yeah, the recent stand-up is good. Only 600 fat for the position here. Position stand-up. Yeah, the tools. Yeah, bears right now buying this on the market. Yeah, it's a recycle, upcycle. And it's quite moving there. Those lines are mostly bears.
It's 10, 10, 5,
Mostly bears lined up at the top.
1025. There it is, right
Ain't
here.
quite the three candle setup yet.
Yeah, this was a freaking virus. 1025.
This is the $1 push here. That's the largest we've seen in this area so far.
Hey, Momo. What's up? That shit rate push right here. That shit rate kind of good. But all right, chef. Yes, chef.
Trying to get one more push out.
Where's Daddy's phone that Kobe got Daddy's phone? What's that 1025? Huh? Let me see. Oh, that's nice. Yes, ma'am. No, baby, we're not going nowhere today. Cause y'all just had a full day yesterday. We're not going nowhere today. Baby, we're not going anywhere today. Nigga, did my sticky note erase? Oh no.
He was out there doing cycling.
All that shit updated good. I got sticky
Oh,
notes. I got
oh.
those updated and on the cloud and on the hard drive.
This nigga cleaned my computer and got rid of some of my stuff. That's
I ready to
crazy.
get my bread back. You let your cousin do it?
No, no, no. It was his dude, his computer. called. I forgot what the little company's called, but he got a little tech software company or whatever, and did it for me.
This Kilmer's doing good. He got rid of some valuable information.
Yeah, yeah, it was stuff I just had for a while.
Nah, no, I'm just fucking with you. And the next thing,
Yeah, I wanted it, but I didn't.
oh, this nigga said quadruple topper. Let me look up this for you. And then show you.
Look at the VIX. Damn, look at the VIX.
What's she doing?
Falling and get ready to bounce.
She dropping.
Yeah, she dropped. And she's.
She nice. She
This
nice.
is a slight pullback. I think right here. This is looking at that bounce.
Not expecting crazy right away. I just wanted it to drop down like that instead of this dip. But again, if we both goes and we are used to step back, that is something that will be like nice strong.
Yeah, so, I mean, shit.
Man, this shit pretty trash.
Still
Sell
about to
it,
go back
man.
down. Going way back down.
This is where I'm rolling. This bounces. This gonna help.
Have to rechart that daily next week.
Mad bounce right here. That's gonna be good for the market. Apple bounce. Nvidia bounces. It's gonna be good for the market. It's gonna make the market bounce. Palantir. They rallied today. That's gonna be good for the market.
How much we up? We only up, yeah. We only up $6. We're not up.
Yeah.
I mean, we're up, but we're not really up
Bro, give
crazy.
me my trend on, bro.
What it is? Will it be, bro?
Right here, bro. What we got? Thank you.
This one.
Right
Sell
here.
trade.
That's where that's at.
Ugh. Beep 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 beep.
They might have a nice little pullback too, though, bro.
I'm gonna enter calls twice. If this play right here don't fail, I'm gonna exit back. I'm gonna enter again at 692. If it goes down that far again. But those are definitely.
Heavy volume
I'm
coming.
not taking. I don't think I'm taking any
Volume
puts today.
$25 if you're talking, but still holding it though.
At least not right now, for sure.
Heavy volume.
Give it up. Just
Awesome sauce. Pull up. Touch bounce. Bounce it. Bounce it. I'm about to throw a couple thousand.
Motherfucking bounce right there, did it? What the fuck? That's what I'm saying. Like, this is wild looking on some of these
you think
charts
this
I'm
is
looking
going
at.
nowhere?
No, no, no.
It's not going nowhere. Oh, but I'm looking at. What you say, people? You got liquidated? century.
I'm about to put couple down. Down.
Almost heard you say using some calls. Which ones?
A 625 about 20%. Still under the treasury bills. Really weird. Wow, shit. Give me a second. I'm about to pull a couple of thousand. I'm about to pull a couple of thousand. Man, this is weird today. Give me a second. At least. Give me a second.
Let's get off these waves. They ready? Come on.
You said what happened?
Can you remind us of today's topic players and everything else?
Got it.
Can I say anything?
Twin count trade. Yeah. This trade failed. Take the credit. So yeah, this is my first one today. I'm not sure if it's gonna continue.
Hey, chill. We in.
So
We in.
so we're set up though. I don't know what you did. Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Nice.
70%.
Yeah, I'm streaming.
Uh, 20%. I'm gonna give it that 20%.
What happened?
Free money up there.
No. I'm trying to see if Apple can bounce and break out too, though. Cause I think that's what made the market jump like this was Apple being so damn bullish. And that's the one. That's market. Like Josh used to say, market is what's gonna move the market, bro.
Mhm.
If we get a breakout on Apple, that's what's gonna move the market right now. You said gold and frost is the coldest. Ants. You say what?
That green. Still not. I still don't have a lot of faith in the trend, but based on how it looks today, gold fed, until. It's gonna break, right? Break this low. Trade for the next low. What's up, baby? Huh? All gone, mama. It's all gone. It's all gone. Look at all. You actually you drunk all of that. Daddy drunk that all. You drunk all of this. That's it. It's all gone. Jesus in the chat.
Jesus in the chat.
God bless you. Go get your pepper. Go get your pepper. Go get some toilet pepper. Huh? Huh?
All right, let's go Apple.
You want some what? You want some tea?
Let's go market.
Look, tell mommy give you some
Nice bounce
breakfast.
right here.
Mommy cooking. Okay, tell mommy get you apple juice. It's in the kitchen. Go tell mommy get you some apple juice. It's in the kitchen. Well, can I at least get out of my trade first, please? No. Come on. Okay, here. Come on. Let's go. You want orange juice? Okay, then come on.
Bro, everybody got their heads. He called, he called me fathead too, bro.
Ah, come on. Go. You got a Cheeto.
I told y'all, bro. Apple go, we gonna go.
Come on, baby.
Trying to.
Come on, Kobe. Huh?
Trying
He's
to,
a
man. It's a lot of time, bro.
That's what I was trying. I was trying to do something. I'm up 20%. Make it trade, bro. Like I said, until we break the highs, I'm not gonna buy still. I'm not still gonna trade until we break highs, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. We need to break highs for me to have faith in it. I'm in it. Like I said, I'm in it because of my strategy. Told me to get into it, but I'll be lying if I said that I like the way it looks. I like the setup. I actually don't like the setup, but I'm gonna be obedient to my strategy though. So I don't make money based on what I make, nigga. Make money based on the strap. You get me?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, it's not looking really that well on the 15, but on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, it's bouncing. On the 15, we don't had this little pullback. So look, on the 15 though, look, on the right side, but what you need to be looking at is the MACDs. We get this volume right here on the MACDs. This candle turned green on the 15. This is bullish. We're looking for this to go higher right here. So overbought on the MACD on the right side. But this is what the price is doing. It's trying to push upwards. Slope and resistance broke right here. They trying, no, they ain't quite broke. They testing this right here. Bro, he was
no,
negative, man.
no, no, he was here, brother.
He's negative. That's what he said. Whenever he said it, what else time he's saying it? Every time he's saying it, he's negative.
That's interesting, bro. Okay. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Hold on.
We just came below the 50 again, so it can bounce.
Bye, baby. I see what you're saying. Such a weird trade, bro. Setup is so freaking weak, bro. This is so weird, bro. This is so weird. See it in a little minute. I won't even lie. That's why that right there, cuz,
Mm.
is why I don't trade off my feeling.
Uh-oh.
See what the setup gives.
Yeah.
It's about the way I feel, whatever, nigga. I'm patient. Just because it look like it's going one way or doing something else, it don't matter. Trade the setup.
Oh, shit.
Take your, you know what I'm saying, take your opinion out of trade and just trade what you see.
Yeah.
Trade your setup.
He said, Trey, what? Yeah, trade your set up. I told y'all that. You trade your set up.
Because I'm gonna be honest, I did not like this trade, dog. I told you, I did not like it. It was a weird looking, ugly looking trade, bro. We got 40%. The trend's so weird. It's an ugly.
I don't want to trim down though, bro.
It's ugly.
I don't want to trim down, bro.
Page.
I want all my money right here, bro.
I trimmed some at 40. My hold some. I'm still holding. Still
I'm
holding.
trying to see the RSI go back to 100.
It's weird, 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 weird.
I'm trying to see the RSI and the flag go over 100.
That nigga said he tried. That nigga tried. Take it all. Nigga went every little cent. Mark your way, girl.
Yeah, bro. I
Took
can't,
every cent.
I can't leave a run to.
You gotta leave.
We all in on this moment.
It's up 40, dog. It should have a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. It should break higher, though. If I'm being honest, it should break higher, bro. Definitely should break higher, though. Market was making a double top, looked like it was gonna drop. Slight entry right here.
One more.
40%.
And it's pretty green right here. One more.
No,
Yeah.
it's not. It's just
gonna keep going up.
Yeah.
You think so? What's the target?
I know what the market trying to do though.
What's the target then? 700 then? What's up then? Talk to me.
It is
Talk to me nice.
let's say first target 695, 67. You know I don't really like to do targets, but I'll give you 695, 67.
Well, we gotta be safe, bro.
695, 67. How much was this trade up? You said it was up 55%.
Your target, just damn near at the top right here. At 75 right here. Yup. Right up in here. I got my shit is drawn out on 6-6 though. Rookie heat, but it's on 6-6 right here. The resistance, bro. 95-6-6. That's what the target is.
This song of freedom for all liars. Redemption song. Redemption song. That Bob Marley, cuz. You know that?
Mm-mm.
You don't know Bob?
Who is that?
Detroit. 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 Ain't no way in the hell you know who the baby is, and you don't know who no daggone Bob Marley is.
Who?
Alright.
I only listen to hieroglyphic.
Okay. Okay, buddy, buddy.
You know what I'm saying? Big Daddy Kane and them people.
Big Daddy Kane, yeah. But yeah, ain't no way you know Big Daddy Kane is. You don't know who Bob Marley is. You know who Bob Marley is. You tripping. You ain't ready to play me for no fool. I know you know who Bob Marley
Buffalo
is.
soldier,
Yeah.
I'm a Buffalo soldier. Hey,
Coldest that ever lived.
bruh, my fact, bruh.
You feel me?
I had some, so you all had some good chill out vibe sessions with some Bob Marley, but
You better believe it.
I'm a Buffalo soldier.
Believe it. All right, cuz we are 55%. I'm selling a little bit more ahead. You get me? And then I know you said you can't do that, so 695, 69, cuz you feel me? We in the
Bro, they
60s.
gave me some more volume right here, Trey. What you
Come
talking
on,
about?
cuz. You feel me?
Talking about getting out, trimming shit. I'm
We
trying
trying
to
to
see
see what
a
do.
no. I'm trying to see I'm trying to see a fucking breakout.
67%.
The
You feel me?
fuck? Yeah, bird trap, right? Trying to say bird trap, right? Look like how it does.
Cuz said a bull trap.
Yeah, the concept bull trap. Yeah, yeah. We patiently waited. Yeah.
You gotta pay. You feel me?
Found the
You know
setup.
what
Yeah.
I'm saying now? Play the setup, baby. Play the setup. Play the setup. Play the setup. All you gotta do is play the setup.
Alright, yeah.
60%. I'm gonna trim a little bit
It's
more
right here
here.
at the target, y'all. Be careful.
Yeah, I know. I'm trimming a little bit more here, and then I'm gonna
I'm just worried that we should be doing something. This candle should be where we getting out.
no. Well, see, you gotta you're trading a little differently than I am, because I would say buy this candle.
I mean, on the 15, this shit is gone, though, bro. It's gonna actually break
Yeah,
out on the 15.
it should keep breaking out. It should
On
keep
the
breaking out.
15, it's actually gonna break out a little bit more.
But but like I said, secure profits as price moves. But since you only got one contract, it's kind of hard to, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of hard.
For real.
Hmm.
That's why I was telling you when you be having one contract, bro, you gotta be safe, bro.
Got to. Gotta be careful.
I was telling him and Tucky that,
Gotta be careful, cuz.
you know what I'm saying? Those are
I'm
the,
gonna sell a little bit more once we hit 60 again.
they really the little dudes, you know what I'm saying?
I ain't saying all that, but
I said it.
I get what you're saying.
I said it for you because I'm Sheldon Frost and it's over. This is Trey and problems. Ah!
Trey and Brock.
We
Sell
we
a little bit more.
we
Trey
put
back up.
We put the hours in the gym. They didn't put the hours in the gym, Jay. They didn't put the hours in the gym. They went to shoot with us. They was somewhere to sleep while we was up all night putting up the work. You get me?
I'm in runners, cuz. You get me, man.
Oh, I'm still in the whole motherfucking shit. Motherfuckers talking about running. I told you that. We all in on all that shit.
Fair play. Nice 60%er. I'm still in runners though. Shoot, I'm just gonna get in the runners queue and get us where we need to go.
My God.
Runners get us
Just
to
a
where we need to
little
go.
bit more, bro. Come
That's
on.
all we need, just a little bit more. We ain't trying to be greedy or nothing. It'll go though, cuz be patient with us. She was patient with us. We waited for
Just a
9:32
little
and they
bit
just take a trip.
more, bro.
Just be a little patient.
This actually can go a little bit more than a
It
little bit
can go
more,
more than a
bro.
trip, cuz for real.
This can go a little bit more than a little bit more, bro.
Yeah, it can. It could for sure.
So I said, look at the volume coming. That's crazy. Bro, the RSI is tilting down while volume is pushing upwards. It's crazy right now. They validating the top right now to try to push out higher. Come on, give me a green bar right here. Really green momentum right here. This very next one minute right here. This end green, the next one gonna be green right here. Need all these to be green, Joe. Ah, come on, you're almost there. Come on, fill it out, fill it out. You're almost there. Almost there. I ain't gonna lie, bro. If Apple go, that's what's gonna make the market go. All Apple go, market gonna go. As long as Apple gonna go, market gonna go, trade. Good morning, Joe. How you doing, brother? I love y'all kids, boy. We trying to get to you. I tell you, I tell you, we trying to get to you. too.
Alright, I'm back, man. I'm back. What happened? Only 45%. Oh, it wasn't even higher. What did it go up to for me? I'm fucking
It
freak.
like barely touched the back.
What was it up? What was it at though? It had to be up like almost 80% or something, bro.
Yeah, it's
Nah,
still going.
it's still going.
It missed it, dog.
Motherfucker still talking.
It ain't done.
He is still. What y'all doing? Candle? I'm on shit streams. That's pretty much all I do is stream. This game a lot of oh, so pretty much placement patterns that y'all just do.
Gotcha. Gotcha. We just had buyers. We just had
Hold on,
market
let
had
me
pushed
see.
so much. Market had pushed so much. We were just waiting for
Waiting
it
for it to
started
come
chopping
through,
right
huh?
there. The next set of buyers went to
Buyers just went
235.
buyers just took profit.
I'm up 63.
Got me some.
What's the big song?
Bow, 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 bow,
Oh,
bow,
the big song, Lord.
bow, 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 bow. Look at that. It's a freaking sniper, nigga.
Sniper shit.
Should have called me Chris Kyle.
Well, no, I still gotta go make my business. I ain't gonna say.
Chris Kyle, nigga.
See what I'm talking about right now. It be above that. This big shit be crazy.
Yeah, I told you I started a small account today with $1,000. Making $35 today off of it.
Mm.
Listen, I gotta like my account's probably like right at around $500 because I took some money up. I'm up to 150.
Nice, 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 nice.
The early call day or the earlier put 40 $50. Each call is just
It's a freaking banger, bro. Smack the dog shit out of this play.
yeah, I caught that whole play too, cuz like every bit, like from the bottom to the top. Only thing I got in slightly off the move, but almost from the very bottom all the way to the top. I caught that whole push. Caught that whole push. As soon as that candle turned red, I was already telling you, man, we ain't about to do like right before it turned red. As soon as it turned red, it's when you go. Yeah, Cousin was saying I gotta get him over here to put him on, teach him some shit, show him the basics, make him
Which
really
one?
look into it.
Oh man, it's ugly.
Oh, and look at
Nigga, Misha too.
shit, the basic shit, just so they can learn how to shadow and shit, just know what to look for in cars and shit. All you gotta do is just approach,
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You got it. One more.
that's what you look for. You ain't gotta worry about bullshit. Don't worry about numbers. These the only numbers you need to worry about. These strike price, contract price,
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good trade for them. Call right. Like you said, patient. I was real patient with it too. Like super patient.
Right, that's what I be saying. The market ripping and all of that, bro. That's man. Man, I just need myself. I just wait, need myself to hit. That's all I need, man. Just give me myself. That's all I
Bro,
need.
like literally, look, I had had let's see what I had 36 cents, $36, 5 contracts, made $100 something. Um,
And that bad at all.
Right, so you call it an all-in-one innovation ETF. What does that actually mean in terms of how the portfolio is built and managed on a day-to-day basis?
Hold on. Total 2,300 my big account. 35 for the small account. I'll take it. Great.
Yeah.
That's my favorite part.
I wish you the best luck in your doubles.
uh, what big trade? What you gonna say?
you
I'm
done
done for the
you
day.
done for the day while the market gonna keep going higher. You gonna be done for the day and miss the rest of the monty.
I'm not missing nothing. You know what I'm saying? Every day, like I say, cuz run my slow, make a 50% a day, keep the money fat away.
Oh yeah.
Look, speaking of that, man, I made my little 200 today.
Yeah.
Keep that shit in there tomorrow. Try to make
And
another two,
innovation
three
is a
hundred.
term that we're hearing more
The
widely
market
these
has
days,
looks like it
right?
might
In
actually break
terms
out
of
a little bit
investing
higher,
and
bro, to
Bro,
96.
AI,
87
and some of
forty
the
nine
mega
cent.
It
cap
actually
stocks
like it
being
might go to
targeted.
96 right now, which is
Just to
crazy,
follow the
bro.
conversation,
Yeah,
now
I
let's be a little bit
Yeah.
fuzzy. When
I
you
got a
are
right
looking
around
at,
there
say,
to
you're
break
thinking of
even.
innovation, you did mention long
It
lasting,
like they going to
key,
96
important.
right
How do
now.
you
Keep going up,
define it in a
in
way
my
that
opinion.
you are then able to
But
make it investable and repeatable?
if I do get out, there is one more set of calls that could even answer it in that trade right there. I ain't gonna lie.
what's
That
that?
can answer it. If I pull back to around six around 693, 694. Pull back to that. Even harder.
I mean, look, I just got into the real calls right when that before the red candle.
Mm. Look at you now. Look
I
at you.
mean,
You
I
a
mean, I
trader
mean,
now. Oh, you a trader. Look at him now. Oh, shit.
Yep.
He said he a trader now.
For sure. Huh?
He said he got it in on the pull in the back.
No, you don't need
Look
to
at
do all
yeah,
him.
that.
I bought
Wanted to
10
ask about the
contracts
importance of having a
for
Look
8
diversified
at
cents.
him.
portfolio in this market
Bought 10
backdrop.
contracts for
What
8
should
cents a
the
piece
TNXT
at
stake mean for
698.
the portfolio?
Significant.
Mm-hmm.
About 2.8 cents a piece at 698 strike price.
These bulls are going crazy right now.
Going stupid.
Fact.
Going stupid.
But see, this the
You said you
first
bought them at eight.
market.
You said you bought them at eight. Yeah, they people said it's at worst. Well, obviously, this is the worst time to be trading. You just sitting back. I don't know who the comment.
What'd you say, Cuz? I bought them at 8 cents a piece.
Hey, you bought them at 8 cents a piece?
Yeah,
Mm.
698. Awesome.
I'm about to say it's gonna have to move for me to get paid, right? Ain't no
What you
doubt.
lose? Nah, it's moving.
On your premium?
Yeah, it's just premium. Yeah, it's
Okay.
moving.
I don't think I've ever bought that far out, so I don't know. I've
No,
never
All right,
bought
this
that far.
context
it
is
ain't
our
that
early
far.
60s
It's that.
spotlight. I want to make sure we're really
All right,
spotlighting
hold
this
on.
here.
Take
If
your clothes
investors
off.
take away one thing about how you and T. Rowe
It's
Price
only three
are
away.
defining innovation and also TNXT right now, what should it be?
Three away.
No, okay. No. Not like so. I don't mean that far, like away from premium. What I mean is like
You talking about the
that
premium
far.
price?
Yeah, your premium that much. That's
Yeah,
basically what I see. That's what I'm saying.
okay, I get you.
Yeah,
I
I I've never. I don't know. I don't know how they do. I don't think I've ever. Well, I don't know how they do it. I only bought that bought that
No,
low.
you bought some far out, but they just the prices were still a little higher though.
Yeah, I
They was
think the
at like 20
farthest
or
I've
30. They was at like 30 or 40%, something like that,
yeah,
like 32%.
that's my sweet spot. I'll buy maybe the lowest I can go is like a point three eight. Come on, point three eight.
Yeah, but with just the way
The
the
highest is like
buyers
point
is
seven.
pushing up, the way the buyers is pushing up the volume of buyers right now and shit, it just them prices could easily go from that 8 cents up to 50 cents.
Come on.
That'd be a nigga. That would be a crazy trade. From 8 to 50, that'd be like what is that, nigga? That's like almost 500. That's more than 500%.
Yeah, if we going off the predictions of that 94, 93 pullback and then a push up above higher, yeah, them will definitely definitely be up there where it needs to be. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go all day on these until we get that, or not all day, but I'm gonna go up until we get that
What
either
the
that
heck, girl?
20% or until we get that push up.
Yeah.
That's part of the reason why I buy out of the money, like like I buy extra when I have every money because I know you
No.
get the price of the premiums don't move as much, so you like got a less chance of getting your money. But when they do
True.
jump and
I buy,
skyrocket, when the stock skyrocket, you gotta be ready.
but it's the same way in reverse too, though. Like
Yeah,
market,
hundred
if you
percent.
buy a point eight and market goes down to just point seven, that's already like what is that? Like 30%.
No, 10,
So
12%, 12%.
to 12%.
Yeah,
Oh
because
yeah,
when it
that's
goes
not
up
too
to
bad.
10, I'm up fucking 12 something percent.
Oh god,
Like I
where
said,
my phone at?
it's a small.
Whether you're an experienced investor or just getting started, Charles Schwab offers a webcast with great
Even
Huh?
if we get a pullback to
Yeah.
start when analyzing your stocks.
even if we get a pullback to that 694 you was speaking of, I'll still be comfortable with that.
Trend analysis and price patterns.
Well, if you said
Like
you're
I'll
in,
still
you only
be
bought
I'll
10 of
still
them, so is that like $80?
Best of all,
yeah, $80, and then I'm up almost a little over 200 for the day
it's
Oh yeah, it's
interactive
not
with
bad.
altogether total.
So even if it was
doing
go
live
zero, you only be down $80. You'll probably still be
Right.
like 120
Now
good.
I'm gonna cut my losses around that
They
around
call
that fifty
those
percent mark is where it should bounce at.
those are called lottos.
Yeah, so we're around that 50% mark is where it should bounce at. If it does bounce right there, I'm gonna buy just a couple more to go along with that, and I'm gonna take my way up.
Yeah, this is called a that type of trade is called a it's called a lotto trade, and it's like a like lottery.
Yeah,
So
lottery pick,
you
and
buy
that's the way I look at it too. Cause
you buy
if
so
you
far
look
out
at it,
the I mean you buy your contract so cheap, and then if price just trends in one direction and it throws your cheap those cheap contracts
making
in the
it
money,
cheaper, and then you buy a little
it's
more
just a
to
lotto.
compensate when that shit go up. But like you said, you definitely gonna. I feel like you definitely gonna get a bounce somewhere in between, like you said, that 93 or that 94. I was really thinking it's gonna stay where it's at
Stop,
right here
huh?
because the buyers and sellers are getting into it. So that's a strong little support. It's a strong sign for the market to shake somewhere, or at least to keep it where it's at. At least to keep it where it's at. The
What?
volume will carry it.
How, you want some eat? Why did you eat your breakfast?
The volume carry it.
You don't know. That ain't a good enough answer for me, man.
Shit, stocks stay.
Well, you didn't eat it. Why didn't you? Sit down. Lay down. Lay down. Look, I gotta clean your boo boo, man. Gotta clean you. Yeah. Oh, boo boo hurt. Okay.
Yeah, boo boo hurt.
Okay. Hold up.
We'll go ahead and so I know we're doing like 12%. So
Come on. Oh. Uh, my green streak continues. Oh, freaking last loss is January the 26th, I think. I mean, not January 26th, December 26th. What? This is bad. It's not cold. I'm a different towel. Hold on. Good God.
give me a $25,000 loan for
Yeah.
that 2 year to play with the market.
Huh?
Yeah,
share? You need all that.
Come on. Three go. Come on. Market to 96.
Market to 96.
Yeah, at least 96.
Market to 96. Convict. Hey, Con. Your nose dirty, mama. Yeah, yeah, it is.
It's gonna be about another year, but that word literally gonna take off probably at the end of this year. That shit gonna go stupid high.
I'm skeptical about the caviar with
Yeah.
my nuts, but you know, it is an offering that could be very very exciting. Maybe we'll try it together and see how it goes. But
Daddy
thanks,
wash you
Nicole.
up.
We
Let me see.
appreciate you walking us through that note. That's Nicole Petalini. Coming up
Wanna
now,
jump
it's
up
time for
in
the
my
Disruptors. George Tiller,
Lamborghini
senior market correspondent,
Gallardo.
here with today's company, Palantir, ahead of its earnings later today, which we'll of course have on market on close for you.
Daddy's
But
Rolls Royce
George,
here, girl. You get
walk
me.
us through some of the commentary and expectations on Palantir as we come into their earnings this
Daddy's
afternoon.
Rolls Royce here. Time to move.
Yeah, I think if you just look
Get the
at
heck
the
up out
high
of here.
level aspects of their earnings and sales, it's been actually pretty
Get the
remarkable for
heck up out of
Palantir. In
here.
the last year, stock is
Ah.
still up, irrespective of the fact that it's
Lamborghini
down about 6% over the last 6 months.
Hey,
I
I
think
can't
that's
wait to get my
because
phone because
it's
we're gonna be ripping
participating
through the
lower
city.
amongst the other software
I ain't even gonna be
application
here. I ain't
names
even
because
gonna lie to you,
Take
Palantir is,
my
of
cuz.
course,
motherfucker to
a
nah look, I just
software
said I'm
that
I'm gonna
finna get that
use
supports
it.
motherfucker shipped to
integrated
Dubai,
artificial
PO.
Yeah,
intelligence
I'm
and
out
is
of there.
becoming more of a
I'm out of here,
mainstay
cuz. For
central
real.
processing software, competing with companies like
Definitely gonna have
Oracle,
me
for
some money
instance.
over here, but
In the last year, it's
No, I'm
still
gonna
up
have
about
I'm gonna have
70%.
I think I'm
So
gonna have
I
like
think
a
if you go
when
into
I retire,
the
like
elements
I'm
of
always
the contract
not retire
renewals,
as
the
in like
I
not
get what
backlog
you're
in
old,
the
but
saying,
I
but
mean
like
claims
like
but
business,
like
which is
get
still
older. You know
tremendous,
what I'm
as well
saying?
as
Our
artificial intelligence
home is gonna be
business,
here
growth has been
because of that
remarkable.
stuff.
If you look
But
at the estimated
right
earnings
now,
for the
it's
quarter
time to move.
that we finalized
I
in
mean, time to
their
move
fiscal
to
2025 numbers for
Houston, vacation home to
23
Dubai,
cents is the
vacation home
estimate.
to
That's higher by
Puerto Rico.
64% compared to 14
I'm gonna go
cents
pick them
last
out.
year.
Thank you.
And at the same
I
time,
feel you.
sales are also expected
Little
to be
nature
around
vibe,
62%
Yeah,
higher
but I'm
get the
to
definitely
mountain
gonna be
1.34
on
life.
the
billion versus last year's
vacation rentals for the rest
827
of the
million.
month.
So for all intents and purposes, the company's been growing pretty tremendously, both in sales and earnings. They're
Let
expected
me
to
just
earn
tell
53%
you
year over
how I
year for the full
feel.
year, and that could potentially change based upon this
Ah,
number
hold on,
coming out
baby.
soon
What up,
for
baby?
Hold on.
Q4 as well as the full year. Any
Hold
guidance
on.
is going to be
Slide
Hold
really
on.
me
important
invite
for
on this number.
Palantir going forward as
Ah,
well. And with that
what
said,
up, baby?
again, there are other
Hold on.
concerns about the business
Hold on.
that is really not about a profitability problem. If you look at gross
No.
margins, 80%, net income margins,
Well, I mean,
28%.
yeah, I guess
So there's a
you mentioned it,
reason
but
why the stock is higher than last year because
I think I just
profitability
got
is
so far wrong.
quite robust. But nonetheless, the challenges have always been
What's up,
valuation
baby?
concerns, which again may have pivoted
Invite.
the stock to the downside as of the last few months
Yeah, I
or
know. Carter
so.
want me to open that
Because
thing.
based
Give me
on
a second.
2025's earnings for the full year at 73 cents, it's trading around 200 times this year's earnings. Again, for 2025, we'll be finalizing
You
this
will
quarter.
move.
And then for next year, it's trading around 144 times. And even from a price to sales standpoint, even though sales are growing, estimated to be 53% year over year, it's trading around 80 times forward sales, and even on a PEG ratio, it's quite
What
expensive.
happened?
So, again,
Taking that shit.
growth has been
Let me see.
great,
You ain't got the request
profitability is
number.
there,
Right.
but the challenge is
That's
really
a hit. That's a
valuation.
banger right there.
But again, the bulls have been essentially
Akon was
rewarded, irrespective
terrorizing
of
the
those
game for a
valuation
good minute.
concerns that many analysts still
Careful though,
have.
they got a knife in my
And
hand.
even this morning, we're getting some upgrades and commentary from analysts coming into
You know,
earnings.
I'm on a
William
little.
Blair upgrading Palantir to outperform, citing mostly valuation because of its pullback. It's actually nearly 30% sell-off. So as we know that, we're trading lower, even though today we're higher
I
on the day
know
coming
you
into
lit,
earnings.
ain't
How
you?
would you structure an example trade here, George?
So looking at
You
it
are me.
technically, it's an important level right now where it's
Yeah,
at
you
around
are.
150. There's it's basically a shelf.
I got
If you
money
look
for you.
back
I
on
got
the
money for
chart,
you.
this is an area of support. It's basically a triple bottom. It could be
You feel me?
relative to where the price action is now compared to where it was and where it could be. But again,
What's
if
in
you
here?
look at technicals,
Oh,
even from a moving average
wait, neutral.
standpoint, it's trading below the 50 and it's
These?
trading below the 200. So right
Where'd you get
now,
these from?
it's
What
tricky
that?
because you can
Huh?
certainly see the next level
Oh,
of
Flex.
support
Oh,
come down to
Flex
around the
ticket.
130,
Oh, okay,
125
okay.
area, which goes all the way
Yeah,
back to
okay.
February of last year. Or it may end up moving higher based on that 2050 period moving average, which is about $20
We
above the
got the
current price. So
shoes,
I'm going to play both
the
ways
bracelets.
because I don't know the outcome after earnings. And so I'm going to sell the weekly iron condor. It's a neutral strategy. Looking at the market maker move around $14, I'm going to sell spreads that are about 1.5 times that market maker move. So I'm going to sell the weekly 170, 175 call spread above the current price and below. I'm going to sell the 130, 125 put spread. So these short strikes are about $20 higher low. Altogether, you can sell us for $5.25
Not
in credit, $125 in contract. So the whole premise is range down between the 170 high, 130 low. Break even is 175 and a quarter high and 128.75 low. Now you earned $1.25, but if it blows out of the long strikes, your risk in this trade is
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
essentially
yeah. Okay.
$3.75. But the probability in this trade, because these deltas are very low
Okay, baby.
on these calls and puts, are about
Yup,
70%
got you right.
probability of profits between now and expiration in 4
Got
days.
you right.
All right, right now trading right at the midpoint of that range you highlighted. We're at
That
just
girl just
under
like
Right.
being in the
150,
shower.
so
You hear me?
But is
130,
this gonna hold,
117
bro? What
and
is
some
this,
Palantir
bro?
earnings first. Thanks for breaking
Y'all
down
got
the
support right
expectations
here?
there for us and also for the example trade on Palantir. We'll have those earnings for you today on market on close as
Y'all got
well.
some
Coming
support
up
right
next,
here,
we've got
bro?
our 360 round. We're going to take a look at
I told you it
Disney, the
was
company
two
moving
support
lower
triggers
after
or
moving a
decent
beat on
support
both the top and
Look
earlier.
bottom
back
line.
and watch.
If you looked at that volume chart, both of those two bars,
You done?
like maybe maybe not even a higher, but both those two bars are doing value support.
I'm Alice Coffee. And
And
I'm
if
Jenny
that was
Ford. This
if
is
it was
Next Gen Investing,
higher than
where we
support,
track the trends
Oh, baby.
shaping today's market.
From tech to energy, crypto to consumer, we focus on what's driving investor sentiment right now.
Clear analysis and
I'm
full
still looking for him to
market
go to
yeah,
insights
96
so
though,
every
y'all.
we
trading
probably
day.
need to dip.
This is a make or break level for this stock.
That could certainly be
What you
short to
think?
near term catalyst. What you think?
Next Gen Investing, join the
Huh?
investor
I still think they're going to 96 right here on this. They pulled back. I'm thinking they're going to bounce from here. I was
Uh,
asking what you think.
I think,
We walk you through trade
I
ideas,
think,
structure, risk management, and a focus on
I
execution.
think.
From options to earnings to volatility trends. We bring decades
Tell you
of
something.
trading
Hold on.
experience to every
Nice
trade.
pullback at the
Real-time
top. They didn't go
insights
back
on
too
market
far.
and
They're getting a
sectors
bounce.
Where was
typically
this at?
active
How
in the
many candles
week
ago was
ahead.
that?
Fast
Oh, that
Markets
was
weekdays at noon Eastern, live on Schwab
okay. Two
Network at
candles ago. Two candles
schwabnetwork.com.
ago.
I'm about to roll up again on y'all.
Rejecting off five.
Welcome back to
This is
Trading
at
360.
0.3.
I'm Marley Hayden. It's time now
It's
for
at
our
0.38.
360 round. We'll be discussing Disney.
Four.
The company trading
4.32.
lower
Yeah,
despite meeting its
I think we
expectations. They
drop here.
reported an earnings beat on the top and bottom lines.
You
Entertainment
going
earnings
lower?
rose
Unless there,
7% year
unless
on
another
year.
group of
Now,
buyers
multiple
pull
reports
up.
indicating that Parks
Our
Division
president at
chief
the nine.
Josh D'Amaro will be
So
the company's next CEO,
they think we can get a bounce there,
replacing Bob Iger. Joining
and
us
then
today
we
to
can get a
closer
bounce
look
there.
at
You
these
get
earnings,
me.
talk through some of the numbers and also the potential implications of that new CEO, Stephen Kent, Media Director of Consumer Choice Center, and Matt Dalton, Senior Equity Analyst
He
at
said we go
Morningstar. Thank
lower
you
from
both
here.
for being with us.
Yeah,
Stephen,
just
let's start with
because,
you here. What were some of your takeaways from the earnings
just
that we
because
got this morning and also the
that
reaction?
we had buyers in 5 EMA, but we double. It's like we kind of like double tap the five. It's like we double tap the five, but now it's kind of so if we do push, it's gonna be because of buyers at the 9 EMA, not at the 5 EMA. And earlier we haven't seen any strength from the buyers in the 9 EMA yet, just because the market kind of just like broke through it at the beginning of the day.
Yeah.
So I'm not saying that there aren't any there, but we just don't know. I just didn't have I don't have any information off that. So to me, the buyers are the 5 and the 21. So if we do touch the 9 or bounce off the 9, that's just it happens sometimes. But I wouldn't base my trade off of it because the only buyers that I've seen that the market has shown has been in the 5 and the 21. That would be my
Gotcha. The 5 is okay.
biggest takeaways were that Disney really performs well in the areas that we think it needs to most, we think that are most critical for its long-term future. Specifically, that's experiences with revenue growth and profit growing healthily there. Sports remaining stable, and streaming growing while markets continue to expand. So that was all good. As far as why the stock is selling off, first of all, things are a little bit more opaque now because we're reporting much less. We're not able to get a read through into some of the things that are going on and what's driving the numbers. And then free cash flow was weak, and some parts of the guidance could be considered weak. However, we don't think that either of those are concerns for the longer term. A lot of it is timing related, and
Looks like
over
my
the course
bag
of the
needs
year,
some help.
especially in the areas
This
we think
bag.
are most important,
This
things
bag
look like
should have
they're
been selling.
continuing to trend along. The one other
Crazy
thing
bag.
is that the company did mention how it's maybe seeing some softness from less international tourism, some of the parks
That'll
in
be
the
fun.
U.S.
That'll be
This is something
phenomenal
that
if the
naturally
SPY
we
go
get
up there.
concerned about.
Phenomenal.
It's a reason why our numbers are
Let
below
me
the
talk about
street
that
for
right
this
real
year.
quick. Real,
And
real
so
quick.
again, it's not something that concerns us longer term, but for short term, for the news, it could make the outlook a little bit less rosy in the next quarter or two.
All right, Matt, I'm going to come back to you about experiences here, but I want to talk to Stephen about streaming here. You know, we stopped getting these subscriber numbers here. So I guess my question is twofold here. Does this indicate to us that the streaming wars have entered a more mature phase for Disney? And also, with less disclosure, how should investors judge streaming performance now? What metrics matter the most?
Hey,
You
that's
know,
going on the
that's
subs
going to be an interesting battle to see play out. I do think that Disney has entered a more mature phase of their business. You know, a lot of the consolidation that is happening throughout the market is something that they are going to stay out of. And again, Disney is playing a very long game as a company. And I again want to kind of turn attention back to Disney's arc since at least 2020, just
Bought so
kind
many
of
bullets
massive
for New Year's,
Timbergate
I ain't shooting none of
when
them up.
Bob Chapek was CEO, and then that stops moving around 2022 at the end of the year when Bob Iger returns, and we've just sort of seen the company coast. Now the cash flow that they have been able to free up, it's underwhelming
Bro, we was
compared to
smacking
the
stuff on
potential for
Battlefield.
still
You
upside in
should
the
have played
business.
with this yesterday.
I do think that the
I had told you I
metrics
had to
that we're
update.
going to have
I
to
forgot to
watch
update with you.
for
No, you didn't. You never
Baby,
came
you know
back.
you in
are
my
going to
place.
actually
I had to
be
update.
You and
That's
Trey
what
never
messed with
came
me,
back.
be
increasing
real, bro. I be
subscribers
telling you, I
over
be
time,
seeing
but
y'all on
I
stream.
don't
I
think
was
those
messing with you.
Like
Man.
I ain't
actually
aggressive for
report
real.
what
Like
those
I be
subscriber
every
metrics
once in
You
a
got
while.
are.
it.
They have these
But
two big anchors around their
I'm not
metrics
used to trying to
right
grab
now,
people,
which
You
is
especially
got
when I
it.
be trying to learn. Like I think my
YouTube
main
What's up,
thing
LP?
is like I play
with
other
their
games so
sports
much that I
subscriptions.
really
That is
fall.
they
Well,
have
I
right
really
Yeah.
fell
now
off a little bit.
the tourism issue with people
Fell
not
off a
coming
little
to
bit
the
when it comes
U.S.
to the
Come on,
FPS.
baby.
All right, so I
I'm
want to talk
still
about
better
that
than the
tourism
average
issue
Joe.
here. Matt, you mentioned
Ah.
experiences. We saw them top 10 billion in revenue for the
If I
first
really
time
locked back
ever.
into it
You
though,
know, so some momentum there, but then
really
they're citing
crazy.
this softer international visitation. Do you view that as a short-term macro issue, or is this a potential longer-lasting
We
drag? And
ready to
if
get
so,
we ready to
then
get a
how much
crazy
of a
push.
negative could this be, combined with the fact
I
that they're
took some
also
good
warning of a continued trend in higher costs and sports rights?
analysis. Right, we very good.
Yeah, well,
Nice
as
little
far
trend.
as the how long this
Almost
could
probably
last,
like the
it could be more than just
probably
very short term, but it isn't something that we think is structural, going to impede the business on a longer term basis. So whether that lasts a few quarters or a couple of years, it's possible. However, it's not critical
I get
as
so
far as
proud of you.
making things, bring revenue down or
Got that
seriously
gas in
impede
there.
it. Very many other
Doing some
areas
stuff
where
people
the
can't do.
company does have other tailwinds to drive growth. So although it's a mitigator, it's probably not something that's going to cause drastically worse results. And from the optimistic point of view, in the future, it will be a tailwind. But again, we can't say exactly when that is. And then on the margin side, also to start bringing more of this revenue, it should allow profit in experiences to really move faster than revenue. So although we do think things could be a little muted for a couple of quarters, a couple of years, even on the experiences side,
Unless my kids put it in there. Unless my kids put it in there. So they can go back and see. So they can go back and see. They can go back in the air. You always try for them while I was going to school. Was over trying for them.
Yeah, Sheldon.
Tell y'all, Daddy coming.
Yeah.
Daddy coming, boy.
You good over Sheldon? You almost 40% on that shit, Trey.
Welcome to Schwab Network,
Yes.
where real-time market coverage is expert strategy. From the opening bell to the closing bell, we've got you covered.
That shit keep pushing. Oh,
Get inside the minds of pro traders.
My point is that they're getting a higher rate of change in sales based on their guidance, but not the same rate of change on PPS.
Follow the biggest headlines, live analysis,
yeah,
breaking
40%.
news, and sharp trade
Was that
ideas
push, bro?
minute by minute. The show deliver
Broke
action.
high
We
of the
break it all down
day.
in real time with speed, accuracy,
Got
and
the
precision.
numbers.
I think one of the most important things is you're making inflation a risk-defined way here going into earnings. So that would be a further downside area to watch.
Smart insights, actionable data. Get your perspective and trusted financial journalists. Streaming live and on demand. Schwab Network, streaming 24/7, any screen, anywhere, free.
Fires is
Schwab
coming in
Network.
strong right here, boy.
Hey, Pop. Last year, my dad
Shit,
had
I'm
a
up
stroke.
53%.
Big shock to his
Let me go
personality.
in
As a
again.
fourth in the family, he
Another
informed me.
break
Wait,
high
you had a
of
stroke? Yes. Now we're in the car together almost daily. I started to realize, what can I pick up from my dad? His stint with Schwab at the
Yeah.
time.
that
Jim, my financial consultant, I programmed that 20 years ago. Jim's
push.
really been there to answer any questions I ever
26. I'm
have.
up
Makes a huge
100% on my
difference when you
trade.
have someone that actually cares.
104%.
Yeah.
Connected to what moves markets. Download the
When we
Schwab
printing, baby,
Network
we printing
Yeah.
app
right here.
and stream
We
live
printing, baby.
coverage wherever you are.
Well, I'm waiting on another little squeeze and I'm out right here. Brother.
Yeah. Tell them kids I'm coming, man.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah,
One of
we
them days I'm pulling up.
printed another little something.
We all got our own
Oh,
Tiffany, you know what I'm saying?
that's how you make that money right there.
We gonna pull up.
Oh,
You
you
get
got
me?
analysis correct. Made 104% pull right there. Trust your analysis. Trust the strategy. This
That's
straight
why you
keep
be
pushing,
saying.
bro.
That's
This
why I
fire
say
is
be
really
patient.
strong right here, cuz. This straight keep pushing.
You
Fire
keep
is
preaching
we
that
gonna break
patience.
half last week, boy. We gonna break half last week. Okay. So
Welcome to Fast Market here on
you hear
Schwab
me?
Network. I'm Diane King Hall. We've hit the lunch hour here at the New York Stock Exchange. Investors shaking off an even blaze of
Day
news.
like
So
23.
Wow.
let's get right into it with a check of your
I can't even hear
scorecard
you.
for
Where
the
is it?
major indices. The S&P
He doing
500
You
is
something.
sad?
gaining
What you
right
on?
now more than a
Doing
half a
something.
percent.
He be
Most
doing
of the
something.
sectors in the green. You only have a few in the red right now. The gains
It's
being led by
funny on the stock
consumer
market. Every
staples, consumer
boy got a
discretionary,
glitch.
followed by financials and
Got a
information
glitch.
technology. All at the top of the list. Dow right now rallying just about 1% here. Similar price action in the NASDAQ 100. It's a very
Hey, that
different
if
picture
a
from what
nigga
we
caught a
saw in
got
terms
right
of
there
futures and
though.
overnight trading. Russell 2000 now
If a
better
nigga got an
by
early
almost
day
one and a
today,
quarter percent.
caught it
Here's
at
the
that
roadmap
low,
for today's show.
at that
We'll look at
corner
example
above
option strategies from Palantir that was out earnings due
420.
after the bell today. Plus, the theme for
Oh, nigga
Portfolio
caught a
will be along
$10
with new
pull up.
data on PayPal. And PepsiCo is also on our radar today. Give you a sense of
Stop.
themes. Now that we've
Yeah,
got the
she just
roadmap
did.
for today's trading action, it's time to bring in my co-host.
Yeah,
We've
she
got Tom
tweaked.
White
She
in our
tweaked.
Chicago studio. Kevin Eeks joining us live from the SIBO. As you know, we've got you covered from exchange to
They pulled
exchange.
a
And
hundred
the
and they did
archive
a hundred
Oh
and
my
forty
God,
percent
bro, you
on that
alright?
shit, cuz
metals and
Yeah,
equities
bro.
coming off
You said what
unscathed
happened?
now.
I said
Tom,
I
I'm
pulled a
curious to
hundred and
know
Oh
forty
your
shit.
percent
take,
out that
Good,
especially
bro.
motherfucker.
when you think
You hear
about
me?
you
And it's still
always watch
going,
the
but
price
you
action
feel me? Take my
overnight and
money
Hell
and
into the
go.
yeah.
morning. Both you
You know
guys
what
do.
I
So Tom, your take first.
Yeah.
I think it's
I'm
gonna
looking
break
at
half
paper.
last week though, cuz that 1687 oh six.
Is
But
them
them buyers coming
babies.
in heavy, boy.
Whoop.
And if
seeing here
And
is
then
some
have to go
stabilization
through where
in
it's
the
at. But
asset
I'm telling
classes
you, them
that were
buyers
way
is gonna
off
shoot that shit
on
up.
Friday, whether it was
I be
gold
watching
down
the volume
9%,
slips, man. I swear
silver
you'll
down
notice
over
glitches in them.
Look at Apple. What you think about Apple, bro?
It be jumping around too.
It's floating around 2% right now. What y'all think?
Bitcoin's still under pressure at this point, down 6%. Today's session,
Cause I'm
This
telling
might break
y'all,
out next week. That
if
would be
if
crazy.
Apple break out for some reason try to go to 300 today,
Broke high last week.
if Apple try to go to 300 today, y'all,
You talking about Apple?
the
No,
mark,
hell, nigga, 300. No, it's not going to 300.
what's it going there? It's doing something, bro.
Nigga, Apple is not about to rip.
What they doing then? What they doing then? They doing.
$40 in the
No,
tradability, cause
no, not for Apple.
because
Nah.
earnings, this is the
I ain't
best
even read
growth
the
rate we've
tradability
had for
yet.
earnings
That's what I'm
Not for
saying.
Apple.
What they look at the chart. What they doing?
Not for Spy yet. Spy won't.
Not a spy.
$40. $40.
Not a
It
spy.
has to
Not
be
like
hold on. A
stocks,
spy's
right,
on
at
how
this
much
point.
money?
So I think that's what
probably
maybe
maybe like
investors are
$10.
pushing
If
aside
that.
maybe some
Maybe not even
geopolitical
$10.
risks with
Maybe
Turkey eased
maybe
with
10.
Iran.
If
That's why
that.
you've got
You think
gold
Apple can go up another $5? Is what you
at this
saying?
point. So you're starting to
Yeah,
see some
it can
good
move a
news
couple dollars,
in
not more than
headlines in
for
the
sure.
markets
See,
because
Spy's
of
not
the
even up
Hell
10.
size
nah.
It's up
They
6.
It
and
already went up
listen.
$5.
If the Apple go up
because that's going to
$40, the
be
spies
the
really
big
can't move nothing
catalyst
today.
for
That's what I'm
news
saying
inside the
today.
Spy,
big
if this
name
goes up
AMD,
$40, if this goes up
Amazon,
$40, nigga,
reporting this
The
week.
the
spy gonna
the
push
owner
that
of
number
Apple,
today.
nigga, the owner of Apple just bought SpaceX or
Industrial
Tesla or something, nigga.
This
That
go crazy.
wide array
it
of
would you would
cyber names that
$40 in a
participate in
day.
the
It
data
has to
center
be from
space.
Hey,
news.
them
It will be from news,
buyers
not
ain't
tech
bullish,
Hey,
news.
man.
earnings are good.
They gonna
Data's
I'm
good.
telling you.
See the
And
manufacturing
we
base
on the spy, I
better
think
than
we I ain't gonna
expected
say definitely.
on that side of it. So we're
13%
starting to
today
see
is
some
high.
green shoots
Definitely, I
that are
think we
maybe
could
taking
possibly
over
hit above
maybe some of the
697 today
headwinds that had
on the spy.
been created last week.
Oh, yeah, 697 is only at what?
Yeah, I saw that
697.
manufacturing data across the page
I think
here
it's only like a
as
dollar or
the big
something. Yeah, it
four.
could move that in the next
It
15
feels
minutes
like
if
Hey,
there's
we
if
some
it
just
bump.
started
writing
at
on the wall today. Should
684.
have worn green today. Kevin, what's your thoughts?
No, no, no.
Apple,
Yeah, yeah. I know.
Apple's
What I'm
having
saying is,
trouble
so
breaking out
there's
right here.
some called an expected move, right? Expected move per day on SPY, and every given day it's a plus or minus $5, right?
Nah,
Which means from
I was
open
just
to
playing.
close.
I was just playing with him with what he was saying. With Apple going up the motherfucking $40, I said if that's the case, then SPY going up
No,
another
I was asking what y'all thought about Apple.
when we ready to get a pullback on that.
I don't mind. I don't care.
I was,
I don't
no,
mind.
I'm talking about right now, like trader. What's it look like now to y'all?
Any of them type of stocks seems good. Apple right now.
Well, before I
Y'all
take
talking about a bunch of speculative plays.
nah,
They're gonna have to.
before I take light calls on Apple, I wanted them. It has to break above yesterday's opening that is set at
I was
695,
talking about long
six
term.
265.07.
Any of them stocks like that, I feel like they not gonna move no more. They
It
might have a
is.
pullback soon, but just a big one.
Solid.
It's trans. It's falling, bro.
I definitely believe it. They pull back too, so the truth.
That's a good trade. I don't know if I'm gonna be. I might. Got some other things I gotta do in the morning, so
Just if he ain't
got
showing
a
you
couple
that
of
fat
meetings.
trade
About to
today,
say
you
so.
should.
I'm about to say so. I might not be able to do the next 2 3 days. Got a couple meetings I gotta take care of, but I will probably be back like Friday. No, 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 no.
After Apple close.
I'm about to say. I'm about to say. I'm about to say that just to make sure. So, but I'll be out. I'll probably be back
You
Friday.
swag,
Huh?
swag.
No, no, no. I ain't talking to them yet. I'm gonna try to. What I want to do is I want to put a. I'm gonna put a together like a portfolio. See if I can put a portfolio. See if I can get my
AI
commissions.
trading on how trading. What do you be having AI trading?
No, no, it's not. Well, so the thing with them is they have a like like if you have a certain amount of money in the account, you are basically in a different. You're basically referred to
Different levels of money.
yeah, you go to different callers. You get what I'm saying? The people to help you out. And if you do invest that much money with them, then you can get cheaper commissions. And their commissions is like 65 cents to enter and exit a trade. But I want to try to get it down if I can. I'm gonna see if I can get it down to like 30 cents. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm
But
gonna be
usually
since I'm
for
gonna be
like some
trading
real
with them daily.
good AI traders, man, usually be doing 20 or 30.
Yeah, but their fields is not as good as their fields is not as
Yeah,
good
the
as
field,
Swab.
yeah, I definitely be having issues with
Nobody,
that.
yeah. Swab got like the best. Swab got And then after them is interactive broker. Like
I
Schwab
definitely,
and interactive
yeah,
broker,
I remember
they
you
A lot
got
of
saying that. I
people
need
are
to bite
losing a little bit
transfer
of faith
just to
in OpenAI at this
that
point.
having that extra.
Who's to know when any
So
of
is
these
that per
deals come to
contract or is that
fruition,
per
which we
per
very
trade?
much
contract,
hope
per contract.
will get
This is
done.
what I'm
But
saying. So you're
you
paying a
know
lot
the
of
amounts
commissions.
that
But
they're
those are see, but those
investing
platforms are
between the
platforms that
companies
experienced traders
in
use.
this round
And
of
I'm not saying
giveaway. And it's
experienced
a
as
question
in
a
you
little
gotta
No, I
bit.
know
get
what
what
you're
you
Hey,
mean.
doing.
Like
now
bigger
you've
I'm saying
got
companies, like
when are they going to go
no, no, no,
public?
no,
If they
no.
go
What
public
I'm
for
saying is
6 or
like their layout,
the quick
their
questions that
layout
you
is a
answer,
lot
and
more. It's a
maybe
lot
the air
more. You
will
could do a
calm
lot
your
more with it, right?
while
Like
we
their
don't get
options
earnings
chain is
until later
a
this
lot
month
different.
not
in
the
Their
a
market
week. So
shit.
yeah, it's a lot more depth.
maybe
Yep,
that'll
exactly.
continue this
There a whole bunch of
volatility that we're
stuff.
seeing today
It's a
because
lot more.
every
They're
time
Lot
you
different
more
different
decide
depth
levels
to
of
to
go
go into
one
options. So
it.
I
way,
get
it
what you mean.
seems like
Right?
there's
They got
somebody
that's
out
more
there
people
selling it.
that's higher level of
Maybe
option
somebody not
trading.
believing
Yeah.
it, and then
Higher
So
level
you
option
me
end up
traders.
with some
personally,
troubles with
I
the
don't like
within the
because
AI industry, especially with
it's too much stuff
Gen
that you
A
don't need on
and
there.
some of these
So if you was to
semiconductor
ask
makers. And this
me,
is
I would say
continuing to
Weeble
rise
has
off
the
to
more
the upside.
user friendly
Nvidia just
platform.
seems to be
What's their
But
percentages
consolidating.
though? What shit?
I've
Weeble's
noticed
no
that too,
commission.
that it just
Weeble's
feels
no
like it's
commission,
getting a
but their
feeling.
fields
Every
are
time
kind
that you
of
mention it, it
weird.
gets
The
Their
pushed
fields
feel
are
is
one.
weird.
probably
Kevin,
the
what's your take
G-Rate
on
They're
that?
not
commission.
bad. They're not bad, but it's slippery.
Yeah,
So
the G-Rate get
I don't
the
think
share here get
anything
burned.
has really changed in the
probably
whole
is.
landscape.
I mean,
I think there's ebbs and flows in this. Nvidia
I get what you
mentioned
mean with
That's
that though.
Yeah,
$100
nah,
by
that's
the
just
end of
I
this
don't
that's just
last
how
feel
it
like
goes.
September,
understanding this.
and now it's going to be
So I
huge,
gotta
but it
interact.
may not
I
reach
trade from them now.
$100 billion.
But I'm
And
gonna
so
get
I
I'm gonna
think
get
what
I'm
is
gonna get the
changing
Swab
in
account.
So for
AI,
me with a
what
smaller
is
account,
what
like
No
landscape
dropping
has
like
commissions.
changed.
that,
No
And I
commissions.
think
I would do no
personally,
commissions because
what's changed
on
in
your
AI
trades that you
yeah,
is
lose, you'll be paying.
Gemini
Yeah, yeah.
catapulting up
Because
to
on
the
your trades
front
that you lose, you'll be paying
of
65 to get
being
in
the
the
most
trade and
effective
65 cents to
and
get
with
out of the
search
trade per
just
contract. You get
being
what I'm
a
saying? And
clear
if you
now
lose,
leader.
it's just
You
gonna
know, it
be
seems like
a couple extra
Google
dollars on
would
top of
start
the amount that you
slow
lost, which
and then
is
they
probably
gain
not
ground
even
very
no
fast.
decent amount of time.
Microsoft
yeah.
starts
But
fast
Shamir, can't you
and
send
then has
me
lost a little
overdraft like
ground, but it looks
immediately
like
or get
the
something?
biggest problem with some of this is
I
that
mean, we
Gemini
can.
is
Yeah,
the
I mean, I
clear
can. I
leader,
can see you
and
refer to Weeble. You
OpenAI
probably can.
just
I don't
hasn't
know what you.
delivered
I'll
yet
see, but
on
yeah, it's
everything
not
they're
nothing.
talking about, and I think
It
there's a
ain't
little
nothing like
hesitation here.
it ain't nothing
Jeff
crazy.
One
I mean,
still
it is
said the
something.
investment's going to be huge. It just may not hit that
Yeah,
$100
but yeah,
billion
that's just
number. So, yeah, it's
I
interesting to
said
watch this play out. I think 2026 is
5,000.
going to be the year of winners and losers in AI.
yeah.
I think we're reaching
Weeble's
that
not bad
stage
for it. No
at
commission
some point,
and
but
user
As
friendly.
long
I'm
as it
sitting here
stay
thinking,
above
okay,
50
how
RSI, this
good
might be
and
good.
how
You heard of
effective Gemini is,
Moomoo or
and then making everyone else kind of an
Moomoo's new on
NVIDIA
the scene.
AMD
Moomoo's newer on
story,
the scene. They're
right? Where
like the
there's
newest
the
broker
leader,
on the
and
block,
then
and
there's a bunch of seconds and
I heard
thirds.
it's a good
So
platform. I just don't know too much about it.
that's
If
what
I'm
I
being
think. I
honest.
think Nvidia is
I'm
still
looking
in the
at it was like
game, but
advertising.
Gemini has
Oh
put
A
yeah,
some
thousand
doubts
a
in
thousand dollars for
OpenAI's
Nvidia,
ability to compete in
$2,000
that.
for Nvidia up to that.
That's a great point you
Y'all
also
hear
make
me?
about a year of winners and
what you say,
losers. So
Cal?
If
that
the
speaks to
RSI is
what's
above
going
50,
down.
yeah,
Nasdaq was back
this
to
has
close.
bullish
Trump still
momentum.
plans to raise between 45
Yeah,
and
it's
50
still
billion
holding
dollars
it
this
down.
year.
Your
So far,
contract, you
the
still
AI
holding that
infrastructure
contract
is
good?
sold
You
out.
should be up
Shares are
nice.
actually higher
Who
right
me?
now, but
Yeah,
it's been a turbulent year
My shit
for
fluctuating.
Oracle over the past
Look
year.
at the
And
base
if you
rate
go
of that
back to
again.
January of
Should
last
be
year, we're sitting
up
now
some
where we
up
are around
nicely
where it
though.
was
Probably
in
better than they
January of
thought.
last year. I know we're just in February now.
The
Tom, what's your
interest
thought
rate
on Oracle?
affected them.
Yeah, initially the stock was down about 3%
Moomoo
when they
did an
announced
yeah,
it was going to be
8%
4%,
45 to
interest
50
rate
billion
here.
dollars to help build out
which
its
ain't bad.
additional
I think
capacity for
Weeble needs to
customers,
maybe be like
whether it's
five,
their
maybe
Interest rate
platform,
ten.
whether it's Nvidia, OpenAI, the big deal that they have,
at
the solo
4.1
deal
or
that they
that
have with
8.1.
OpenAI, worth about $300 billion. Remember, they raised about $18 billion in the fall, and there's actually
Yeah,
investor
which
lawsuits
isn't bad. Which is
because
good though. Which is actually
Oracle
good.
wasn't
But it's
upfront.
a lot of stuff.
These
It's a lot of
lawsuits
stuff that kind of
claim that
goes into
Oracle
it
wasn't upfront
it
with
comes
the
to
amount of cash that
selecting a
they needed to
platform,
build out this
right? Like I said, I've never
AI
used Lumen, so I
infrastructure.
can't.
And
I'm
now
just
they're
going off
I
looking
assume
at
shit is
what I
new. I ain't
raising
never heard of
45
it.
to 50
yeah.
billion dollars
It's
more.
like how good are your
And this is
deals?
a
Two,
concern.
how
I
good
mean,
is
that took the
customer
stock
service?
down
Three,
51% from those
um,
all-time highs. We're at
what's
7-month
commissions?
lows
Four, you know what
as
I'm
of
saying? It's like a
Friday.
lot of stuff
Getting
is
a
I
kind
little
of
bit
definitely
of a
moving.
bump
understand
here
they got
today.
zero contract
But
fees.
maybe, are
It's
investors
pretty
looking
cool.
at this as, okay, maybe this is the bonds. They're going to get
Okay,
the
that's
funding.
smart.
They've had some issues
No
with
commission
their
fees.
data center build out in Mexico. They've had some issues with
Nigga
the
said
data
he
center
had me the
and
cheapest
funding
stock
for the data center in
earlier this
Michigan
week.
also. So this has been a concern for investors, but you have to sit there and
Banger,
Cash
banger,
wonder
money.
banger,
after the
banger, banger.
massive
Trade.
drawdown in the shares,
Thanks, bro.
are investors kind of thinking, okay, maybe this is already built into the stock because we did hit 7-month lows, that
God,
we
the
had
man
since
all
the beginning of
good,
June of
man.
last year. So, yeah, I think the concerns are probably going to continue to
That's a good question. And let's pivot from tech and talk one that's out with its earnings today. That's Disney. It did beat expectations in its most recent quarter on both the top and bottom line. There was strength in parks. An analyst I talked to today pointed out that streaming was strong as well. But it seems to be this cloud hanging over it. There's now also the conversation around the successor to Bob Iger that's back at the surface. We have names circulating. One name seems to be at the top of the list. The stock is down more than 5% right now. Kevin, what's your thought when you look across Disney today?
Disney's a fascinating story because they did well in so many aspects of their business. But the two things that are causing concerns are two big things, right? They did well in the box office with Avatar and Zootopia. They did well in streaming. They finally got streaming profitable and doing well. Parks doing excellent, doing well, and they're reinvesting in the parks and upgrading them. But then linear TV, ABC, ESPN, that's what's a drag on Disney right now. But that wouldn't be the big deal. But Bob Iger, and the succession plans for Bob Iger probably have people just as worried as linear TV because if you think about it, Disney is dependent on Bob Iger to run that company. If Elon Musk running Tesla is a 10 out of 10 that he has to be there, Bob Iger and Disney's
Oh
probably
man.
an 8. Right? It's very important. So the fact that they're starting to
I mean, bro,
set
your
up
contract should
succession
be here
plans
pretty decent, bro. You
probably
got it
not
at
putting a lot of
+7. I got
confidence
in there, bro. I
in,
believe
in,
that
in,
you
in
should be up over
shareholders, and
100%. If
with
not, let me
also
see how much
linear
this
TV,
costs.
which
What's
we
that right
know
there?
linear TV is shrinking and doing poorly.
I
Those
got out
two
at like
things were enough
60
to sow
some
some
percent.
doubt
Well,
in,
I'm
in,
glad I
in
got where
Disney,
I'm
and
at
the
on
stock
that.
is having today, despite
Your
pretty good earnings.
contract should be up, cuz.
Yeah, they were pretty
I
good,
wish I
and
would have bought
I
more, bro.
wonder
I
if
bought
that
at the
if
peak
that
right there when I bought the
conversation
Riders.
had not come to the surface,
They
if
should be
there
up
would
at
be a
least
different
150%
response off
for
the
it.
back of its
Wait, no.
quarterly results. We shall see.
Yeah,
Clearly, the
150%.
jury is out on the next head of Disney. All right, let's put a
At
pin
the
in it. We've
high,
got
at the
so
high,
much
they should
bear
have been
coming up.
releasing.
Guys, give your sample trades put together for Palantir here. It is on deck with earnings due after the bell today. We'll have more fast market after this break.
They call me Dun Dun. Done it all. Done drove them all. Hey. I'm that nigga. Hey man, who's that nigga?
We're gonna get a
Better
nice
see
little
this.
pullback from here,
I
though.
done killed them. Yeah.
Swing moving higher
Done
should
killed
continue to be
them.
consolidating from here.
Done done it all. Done done it all.
Let's move higher.
Everything good in the line is me. Put your blind, need some
Should
glasses to
count
see.
that as the follow through from here.
Put your blind, need some glasses to see. Good try, nigga. They say I'm burning up.
Keep going for the low.
Everybody to the line. Bang here, nigga say
Whether
my
you're an
name.
experienced
Hello.
investor or just getting started,
What's
Charles
up, baby?
Schwab offers a whip that's
Huh?
Sheldron,
right for you.
Tell Kobe I
Are you
said
an
shit.
active trader? Our active trading whip is
What's he
designed
got?
to help you develop a deeper understanding of technical
Tell Kobe I
analysis,
said shit.
options, futures, and more.
Huh?
Best of all, you can ask
Wow.
questions by chatting directly with an
Look at
expert.
the bounce out of nowhere.
It's interactive learning at its finest. Tune in live or watch on demand.
The
Head over to
bounce out of nowhere is
schwab.com/web
crazy,
and
bro.
start
another
learning
bounce
today.
right here, but we definitely gonna get a look. It looked
The
like this was. I
bounce
don't know
out of
why
nowhere is crazy,
the
though.
volume ain't moving with them buyers on interesting shit.
Bro, the bounce
Hey,
out of nowhere.
bouncers.
I asked what y'all thought about Apple. Y'all wouldn't tell me, bro.
I told you I didn't like it until it broke above base, cuz.
Same goes for where you invest.
Other than that, I don't have an opinion on SPY right
Get
now.
smarter with Schwab.
I don't have a setup until we pull back to
Welcome back to Fast Market here on Schwab
690.
Network.
So
Shares of Palantir. They gave some
whatever it
ground
does
today
now
as
is
the
just
earnings
whatever it
quarterly
does.
results. Those are due after the bell. Wall Street is expecting the company to
Yeah,
report earnings
I
of
just need to
23
get this happen.
cents per
I don't have
share,
an opinion
reflecting
until it pulls back.
$1.35
Do
billion. Now
whatever.
Definitely, if you
today,
look at
William
the
Blair
pull back for a go.
I
Nah, they
think
will for sure.
Palantir,
Let me
Okay,
see.
you know,
okay,
putting
that's
up
not
good
bad.
But
earnings,
they already
got
get that
caught
stock
up in a
market
sector
moving.
sell-off, right? I think this overall software in it, a sector of the
Okay,
economy
good
got
to
sold
go.
off, like Oracle,
When she
like
taking y'all today?
Palantir, and they got caught up
Okay,
in that, and they got hit, and
that's
they got
not
hit
too
pretty
bad.
hard. $207 down to where they are. They're rallying up to
If you look at the
150 today.
buying,
So
the
I
low
think
price and
this
high
is a
value,
bit
both
overdone. It was
both
pretty
are
significantly
undervalued.
oversold this morning. Now it's rallying a
You
little
gotta
bit, coming back up. But
raise the
this is a
threshold.
name. If they put up good numbers and give
Let me
good
see
guidance,
something.
you
The
could see a
nigga
big move
man, nigga
in
say my
Palantir because this
name,
guy, like
hello.
a bunch in this software group, has really
RP
gotten
my
hit
nigga
over
man.
the last 3 months,
Done
and
done it
there could be a
all.
big relief rally coming if they put up the right numbers
Say my
and
They
nigga
should
guide
have
hello
what
higher.
they been.
man.
All right,
Hell
Tom,
no.
what's your
Like
thought?
with you been singing
Niggas
all
Well,
morning,
gotta
you
I
in a
know.
think
good
maybe it
mood.
was a
You
little
nigga in
bit
a good
of the
I'm
mood,
sector
boy.
always in a good
headwinds.
mood,
I mean, we
bro.
saw
Money need to make
Forex,
us
I
money.
wake up,
AI names
I wake up and
retreat.
can do what I
That's why
do,
the
bro.
stocks
I'm
of
always in a
Verisk
good
I'm
here
mood.
already
today
knowing. I'm
down,
just
what,
fucking.
27%
You
from those
feel me?
all-time highs.
It's
But then
just
we
a
start to
random
look at
song pick. You
valuations.
have
You
to.
have to look at valuations. Growth rate was good last quarter, a
Yeah,
62%
man. You
near
feel me?
prior levels. So that's good, right? But then you look at price to sales on
No
this company,
reason to
it's
not
approaching
wake up in a
100.
good mood,
You
cuz.
know,
Nah, hell no.
35,
Ain't no.
40 is expensive on price to sales.
It's just the
And
random
yet now
lyrics
you're
be
sitting at
catching
about
me off
100. You
guard.
look at the trailing PE of about 140 at this point. So this is about valuation too.
He
Growth
said
You
it
feel
rates
would
me?
are
go
great,
up or something
but at
wasn't
some point you've got to start,
no issues.
kind of getting to this base where, hey, we've got elevated valuations on
The
this company,
lady?
but are those sustainable? Are these growth rates going
Yo,
to continue? They don't really have
Thank you, baby.
a
should
real
have traded
competitor
some more
in this
training.
space. That's a benefit. You've got the government contracts. What government starts to pull back some spending, but then the commercial side of their business is starting to grow and maybe
I
pick
mean,
up
they
some of
trying
the
to
slack
liquidate
here.
my $20
That's going to be a benefit for them also.
trick
But
card.
I think the optimism here that this is going to be the next $1 trillion company or $2 trillion company
I
is
got a
still
partial
out there
share.
and remains. I
What's up,
think
baby?
one of the key things that you have to watch on this type of stock
Those aren't tabs,
is
baby. Those are
volatility
Debbie's
for recent
chart
history
markups
and
from previous
valuation has been
days.
really elevated on this name
I
even
don't have to
after
have them, but I like to
this
look back at them from time to
February
time. I don't need them,
global
but
that's
that's
a great
how
point.
Debbie
Thank you
developed the
for pointing
strategy.
that.
So
They won't
I
hold
just
true
keep
for
them.
long though, so they just
Kind
taking
of
profits. That's all it
generally
is.
on the lower side.
Yeah, yeah,
Tom, what's going
yeah,
on
yeah.
with your investments?
I wonder what it's gonna
AI.
do though. I
All
wonder
right,
what that
let's
deal
go
is
to
gonna
the
do. You know
sample
what I mean? It's
trade.
gonna jump back up.
What do you
Yeah,
think?
it is. It's just volatile. Like
Same.
Yeah,
what
I
it
mean,
does is
I see the
when
sell-off.
it comes to
Everyone
get that,
sees
it
the
comes down
valuation, but
20%.
company growth like this, until the growth starts to decelerate, you've got to trust that this may jump higher. And like I said, it'll all be about the beat and raise. If they can do that, until we see a
Where's your sister?
deceleration,
She's
I
upstairs.
think
With your
there's
mama?
still room here. So what I look
Okay.
at is something in the bullish camp. I look at a paper money trade where I'm just a
Yes,
one
baby.
week,
Trading is
keeping it
working.
pretty tight, buying the Fed 13th, $150 call, right? Pretty much right at the money. Looking at the
Keep
expected move
everything
of about
here. They the
thirteen and a
same
half
long
dollars.
and
I'm looking for the move from the week for about $15.5. And so I bought the 150 and sold this week's February 6th 165, Tom.
what your
Paying
blind
about
Miss Nasty
640.
C.
It's about six and a quarter right now, but I'm looking for if they beat and raise and guide better, this one could be a big jumper, Tom.
Yeah, this is a bullish example trade that
Where's
Kevin's
that
bringing us,
thousand?
taking advantage of the vol dispersion here to lower the entry point price. The option market is pricing in about a plus or minus 9% move in the shares, about $13.60 either way, and this kind of lines up. Kevin put
Stay
a short
frosty,
strike
cuz.
about that one standard deviation above the current share price, which is $150 a share. But let's break it down.
I miss my
Going out to
okay, I
February
done ate
13th,
in a
options
minute.
that expire in 11
Gotta
days.
stay
Buying
awake.
the at the money 150 call.
Huh?
And then in the near term, February 6th weekly options that expire in 4 days. Sell 165
A
calls
little
to a
bit.
bullish
What do
$15
you
white
mean?
call diagonal.
No hands.
Paying roughly about 640 debit. The debit you pay is going to
Hands
be
so
risk.
bad. Just
Might be a
spit.
little bit cheaper than that right now. But $640 in risk on this
There
one.
you go.
Anything above about 153, 154 is going to be potential profitability on this trade. You can see here from the risk profile, you want it to go about that one
What's
standard
wrong?
deviation, but because you're paying less than half of the width of this
Wait, what?
call diagonal,
Alright. It
on
came
this
in with
one.
a
So
free.
you're still risking
Oh no, he
more on this
does. He
one.
does. You got to get
But
locked. On my screen, I
You
see
can
him
find
doing it.
more,
option,
now, you know what I
making
mean?
it
Or
as
yeah.
a
Sit it out for a while and just wait till
Man,
it
I,
just
if
level
you
out
get
like
locked,
the
you
smoke
still get
clears
the
up.
free.
No,
Came
soon,
over with a free
soon as it
booster.
go down 20%, that's a great time to buy.
but this is definitely a
Yeah.
trade where you need a little
That's
bit
what
of
I was thinking. Shirt, all
on a
options.
percentage
You got a
basis
free loading too.
Especially shirts.
can be
Anything that's double
Oh,
down, anything that you got.
oh, I'm about to say, bro. Y'all about to
bullish
sell
on
me,
this example
bro.
trade that Kevin brought us. Now, Kev, I
Okay,
look at it
okay.
basically the same way where I'm taking advantage of the vol dispersion. I'm buying a cheaper implied volatility than what I'm selling. But I looked at a put calendar here, and I went out a couple of weeks. I went out to the February 20th monthly options that
I'm
expire in
coming.
18 days. Buying the 145 strike
He's
put, so not extremely bearish.
he's zero. He's about he's
And then
close by. He's
selling
close by.
that same 145 put in the February 6 weekly options that expire in 4 days. So a 2 week wide,
Very
slightly
bearish.
bearish, maybe neutral put calendar to the downside. Paying roughly about $1.65 debit on that one. That's going to be your risk, $165 per spread. So giving you some
Yeah, that's
exposure
him.
to the downside, maybe even a neutral type of stance here, Kevin, for relatively an inexpensive price, $165,
Since you got that
with the
Pharaoh,
opportunity
bro.
to roll
No, no,
that
no.
short
We're about to
option or
trade, bro.
extend
Trust.
duration
Ain't
at
giving nothing
least
away.
one time over the next 4 days. Kevin, I was kind of surprised that
That's our homie.
this
That's our
put
homie. That's our homie.
calendar that's just about $5 below the current share price is so inexpensive compared to what we typically see in Palantir with pretty hefty option premiums. Yeah, well, the
I'm trying to get to this.
145
I'm
put
trying to get to
in
this
that
killing up here
February
before they
6th
loot it all
is
up.
trading over $5.
It's right here in front of
So
us.
that's really cutting into the premium that
Right
you're
here.
paying
I
for
just
that
pinged
put.
one.
And
One's pushing down from the
remember,
top of the hill too.
it's got a $14.5 or a
Nice, brother.
$13.5 move, and yours is only a $5 move. So, yes, the problem, if this stays range bound, it's only slightly bearish. Now, you're exactly right. You're bearish and range bound at the same time on this spread. So, yes, I think if it works around and stays in this area, this
He's
spread
knocked. He's
should
knocked.
do
He's knocked. He's knocked.
extremely well. But like I said, if there's
Okay.
a big
Okay.
move,
Okay.
remember
Copy.
when you had that calendar spread out at
What a
February,
freaking.
it's
Yeah. Yeah.
forgiving,
Yeah. I'm good. I'm
but
good.
it's forgiving within
But
certain
fuck, that shit even
limits.
took
So
a
if
hit
it moves
Friday, you
big,
know
if
what
it
I
moves
mean?
$15 in either
Look like that
direction,
thing took a hit
that's when
Friday.
this spread will
I think
He's
underperform.
pushing up
But
on me. Pushing
Bitcoin
up to me.
down to
Pushing up
like
to me.
from this
79 or
Hey,
78 or
below
some
you,
shit.
Green. Where you at? Nice. He
Well,
cracked him. He
I look
cracked him.
at this
Below the hill.
range
Push him. Push
area,
him.
it might
Push him.
show that
Nice.
there's risk, that you can make hay down at 130 or maybe up at 165. You can still be profitable. I would probably
Nice
type
knock.
that
Nice
up.
knock.
Most likely, it'll be profitable maybe
Yep.
between about
Last one. Last one.
135 on
Last
the
one.
downside, maybe 155 on the upside if you want to tighten it up on here. But
You might have
you
to back
don't
up
need
here.
that big of a move to
Man,
the downside to get
boy,
towards that
you ain't
145 strike.
wrong with
That's where you're
research.
most
That's just
profitable on this type of
it's a lot of
strategy.
that money not
And
lose.
as we
It's
mentioned,
Oh
Kevin,
man.
a lot of
your
money
call diagonal that's bullish
me.
takes advantage of all that
Everybody I know
exposure.
that went through
This
all
one
this
gets
shit
to
to just get
buying
where
about
you
a
are today.
70%,
You
75%
took a lot of
implied
bruises on
volatility
the way.
in the February 20th monthly options, and then selling about
Not
120%
lying.
in the February 6th weekly options where you're selling that 145 put on aggregate.
Get
So
out of
that
this
vol
shit.
dispersion holds the entry point not only on Kevin's bullish call
Nah, but the
diagonal,
best
but
thing,
also on this slightly
I'll
Done
say
done
the
it
bearish
best thing,
all.
but
put
yeah, no,
calendar
it
to
goes
the
down,
downside.
even
So there
goes
you
down
go,
a lot like this move
Diane,
versus
taking advantage of the vol
even
levels here
today's
to create this
everything
example
kind of
trade.
balanced.
This
So
was there for the example trade. We also
anytime
got potential
anything
breaking
goes
news from
down, like
yesterday. President
overall,
Trump
the market's gonna go
announcing new
up.
details on
Like
this
when shit come
agreement
down
on
a
this
bunch,
with India.
that's when
In
they
a post
decide
on
to buy
Truth
out.
Social, President Trump saying
So it can go
he
back up
struck a
higher.
major
Like
trade
they really
agreement
get
with
it.
India after a call with Prime Minister Modi this morning. The president says India will stop buying Russian oil,
Yeah.
instead ramp
Oh,
up
this nigga
purchases
red
of
face
U.S.
is
energy
crazy.
and goods. The U.S. will cut tariffs on Indian imports to 18%. That's down from 25%, while India moves to eliminate its trade barriers. So, quote, the president agreeing to a trade deal between the United States and India, whereby the United States will charge a reduced reciprocal
Yeah,
tariff
that's exactly
lowering
what
it
it
from
is. As soon as
25%
they
to
came down,
18%.
everybody started buying
He
it. So
framed the move as part of a broader effort to
I
help
bought
end the
some.
war in
I
Ukraine.
invested a little bit
The
somewhere.
president also saying
I
India
got
is committed to buying more than
I got a couple
$500
dollars
billion
invested
in
in digital,
American products, ranging
and
from
then
energy, tech, to
the overall
agriculture
market
and
went up
food.
like probably
Also,
$10
Friday's
or so
jobs
this
report
week.
this
This
week's
week.
JOLTS data
They
will
try
be
they try to cover
delayed as
everything We missed all that money being patient. You said what again?
Sometimes you couldn't know that. Same goes for wearing your vest. Level up wearing a smart with Schwab.
I'm Svetlana Smirai from the New York Stock Exchange. When the market moves to where it
Well,
is, it's getting
in our
rich,
lifetime, we don't
disrupting
always
and
use that
sentiment
kind of
in
money.
real
So
time.
we can't use that stuff
Stream
no more.
Schwab Network and
But the main issue
SchwabNetwork.com.
is all that stuff, all this stuff is good money and real. But the physical gold, silver, we fix all this when we
Trading at
buy
Schwab
stocks.
is powered
All this
by
gonna go
electronic
away.
trading, giving you even more specialized
So
trading support.
that stuff is good to have for the long
Here
haul.
at Schwab
Just like
Trades,
share market.
our team are
You
passionate
want to
about
get as
deep
much
dive tackling
research
critical
you
questions
can get
no matter how complex.
in your lifetime.
Hey,
Plus,
Then
hey,
there's
that's how
nothing
you
like
do
having
it.
hey.
a live session
And then
working like
the
family.
live off that shit. Yeah, you
Got
can
the
live off
options
that
trade?
shit. And then
You already
you
took a
get
trade,
years
yeah.
that you get.
With Schwab,
And then
80%, you caught
make
60.
it easy to
Whether
change
you're an
anything you
I
experienced
heard
want
we.
from
investor
the
or
down
just
real
getting
slow.
I
started,
heard we.
Charles Schwab
Like
offers a
my
method to
daughter,
do
my
it right
daughter
the
nine.
first
You got
So
time.
in
I'm
on
like,
it, yeah.
Are
tell
you
me
an
more.
active
So
trader
I was
or
like,
an active
You
trader
told you
with
got in on it,
passive?
bro.
Some simply
I
because
said
of
that
a deeper
stupid don't matter,
understanding
bro.
of
I said
technical analysis.
He's right here
go
on
Plus,
that left
find
side there.
new skills
Man,
and
this
when
shit
you
ain't
words
get
that
moving.
you can
involved,
do
you can ask
to still
One
questions
closer than
find
which
what
that.
you're
add
good
to the
at.
direction
But
and
you
What
enhance
is
your
that
still
nigga
trade.
gonna fall
Frosty?
back on
It's
it.
interactive learning
And
and it's
you're the only
fun.
you get it
He
compared to
ain't
most
Fun
moving.
of the
to
y'all know who
watch
that.
on
Slow
demand.
down.
Head over to
He ain't even
schwab.com/coach
slow down
and
enough.
What
start
you all been
learning
doing
today.
is just trying to play basketball.
Crack one. You almost sold off on me.
Yeah.
I mean, almost 2 days.
Yeah, I did.
But we
Yeah,
almost,
I did.
no,
And
we
I was
almost
just
sold
like,
off.
damn.
I'm about to get
And
in.
I had a bunch of positions that was
Close
going
and
calling
beyond.
good.
Streaming
That's my shit.
24/7, any
But
screen,
when everything
anywhere.
pulled
He
back,
ain't
I
in
said,
that
shit.
though. That
SchwabNetwork.com.
nigga ain't never there.
Yeah. I know. So I'm
Back to
gonna
Basketball
fuck
with
up
Schwab
and do
Network.
some
I'm
day
Diane King
trading
Hall
and
alongside Tom White in our Chicago
share my
studio. Up
money.
now
But
for
just
our
take,
Cavs
take. I
segment.
got this for
Today, let's
bro.
begin our
Take care of
next
it.
guest
You
as
got me
Landon
text me
Schwab,
now.
founder of Moneyfolio, taking a look at
You
PayPal
probably gonna hit
today.
you up.
Landon, just to kick off a new month for
Maybe
you. So,
you getting
PayPal,
over my
leading
kind of
analyst
shit.
views they're largely in the hold camp on this one. But you've got new sentiment data. What does sentiment look like now for PayPal, especially as compared to competitors?
Yeah, well, compared to competitors, it's not great. I mean, when you look at just PayPal, their holiday data is down about 4 points on a year-over-year basis, and that could give you concerns about the
Yeah, I
economy
cracked him. He
overall.
kind
But
of moved out of the way when he had his
you know,
shits because he didn't have any
up
money.
7 points, and Shopify is near 60 on
Probably
a
jumping
year-over-year
into the house.
basis.
He was right here.
Yeah, PayPal
Pushing down now.
investors have had a little bit of a rough
Man,
ride of late.
now they might be still buying like diamonds and shit. You
Hey,
know what I
Trey
mean?
said he
But
caught
this
60.
shit Friday got the
Yeah, I
world
only caught
shook up a
60.
little bit, bro.
He was in here. I think he was in it. He just said he was in it. Let me see.
Yeah, shit all
He
weird.
go.
You
He
know what
going
I
in
mean?
it, bro.
No, they gonna buy it.
No, that nigga wasn't in it, bro.
They want it.
That is definitely a bright
That
spot
nigga don't
for
catch nothing.
They just don't know
PayPal.
what
He caught
they
60.
just don't know what to put the ticket on.
Giving
They don't know what
investors
to
a
sell it
chance
as.
to grow
Yeah, they don't know what to do.
the
That's what
Hold
I'm
on.
economy
saying.
is struggling. It's not doing great despite
Yeah,
all
they
the
they all motherfuckers just
economic
voting right now.
indicators
Just,
are
you know what I
positive.
mean? Yeah, they always want gold and silver.
Acquisition works that
Yeah.
Yeah, so he
Fucking
bought
crazy, bro.
Vanity.
When I seen that shit, man, I said,
He
God,
knocked him.
dude.
You've got
How
a
far you
lot of
think?
companies
Hold
that are
on, I'm
reacting
asking man.
to
How far you think
the
gold and silver
economic
gonna go?
softness. They're buying out
For me,
Gotta
competitors
back
that
up.
No,
are
hold
Gotta
on.
wrap
growing
around
at
here.
40%.
What'd you
So
say?
you've got a lot of different
Me and
things
gold
out
go,
there
man. If
that
it
are
gets
really
sold
falling
off,
behind
he gonna be in here.
Shopify.
Right
What?
here on me.
I'm in
If
the
gold
chart
gets
too.
sold off,
Tough, and
it just keeps
it's
moving
really just a
up.
question of what is PayPal going to
I'm
become.
getting pushed on
And
me. Yeah, they're pushing
if
me.
you're
You ain't
buying
getting in
into
right
it,
now when the RSI is down here at the 13.
Yep,
you
yep,
know,
yep,
it's
yep.
something you don't
It's
see
another one there. Be
every
careful,
day,
careful.
but
It's add to the phone,
that's
bro.
a great level.
But it ain't
Okay,
moving.
so yeah, it could pull back a little bit more before
Good news
entry.
is
It could. It could.
Before it go crazy.
check out
Yeah,
PayPal.
before it start going back up towards 100
No way.
Enjoy the
Okay.
ride.
on
Yeah,
this.
like on the
I'm Let me look
weekly.
at this. probably
On the weekly.
hold it out to this time next week. You know what I'm saying? Just to see what happens.
The
Mm-hmm.
website,
It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Fuck it. You know what I mean?
the people that merchants, I should say,
What?
that use
That phone at
Shopify
the top right there.
get the
Hey,
benefit
it's
Oh,
of
cuz
being
get
oh,
in
able
here
to
and take the
offer
trades
something
and
that
On the leaps. I mean, it don't even look bad. It could go down a little bit more the next couple of days, but it's still ready to like. Yeah, it's still ready like for a leap or something like
Yeah.
to be averaged into a leap.
Are you looking at IAE?
Yeah, I was looking at both of them. Uh,
If you're looking at IAE, bro, it's like you're looking at that bitch goes from 70.
78 is crazy, bro.
It goes.
Yeah, I don't think IAU is going that low at all. So,
I have
yeah,
$80 league. It's like
right here on the right here on this RSI, it's reading. It didn't even in event. Okay, look, this is where. Okay, look, if it actually breaks this support, it's gonna. If it is a retest right here at 87, and somehow make it to 85, where it's gonna bounce at is it's gonna be 85 or 82. One of these spots where these it's at right now is gonna bounce at.
okay, yeah.
There's a big open support right here. I'll show y'all right here.
You showing us?
Yup, I'm showing the world because right now it done fell out a bunch, so they gonna buy this up to where it's gonna bounce.
But they gonna make it so it take the lower low too. Oh,
Yeah, it's just it's what it always does. This is what it always does. This is a natural thing. It's like what the stocks do.
bro, who is?
Yeah, it's a buying opportunity right now.
Bro, who you talking to, bro? Ain't nobody
I'm
fighting
gonna
no
see what's
fight.
up. I think I'm gonna sit this week out, let Monday roll around, see what Monday look like. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
You know,
I am too. I
my
had
people
somebody.
updated.
Yeah, I had somebody else gonna buy silver too. I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, I'm
Right
thinking,
now,
I'm thinking of go ahead and
a lot of physical
go
showing
ahead
up
and
on
sit
the
this week.
so that's the bump that we're seeing right now. And you'll notice it's lower than last year. So this is a 90-day moving average. If we had a 1-year moving
Nigga
average, that's
asking
where
me.
we'd see
Nigga
it drifting
asking
off and
me
down to the
if it's
right.
a good time to
So
buy.
it's still negative and it's
And a
still
nigga ain't got
sliding
no
the
money.
wrong way. Even though
Nigga,
the stock has
that's
pulled back
crazy.
so much, there is I
Oh
see the divergence that you're talking
did kill 3 people
emergency
though, but
Shopify as a way
what's
to
up?
grow their business, how to grow their business, to make payments easier, to make acquisitions and connect with teaching easier, and it just does so much more. So it's they're basically a merchant account on PayPal, whereas Shopify is like a business department, and they cost basically the same. So it's a very difficult competition for them. But yeah, I think for relevancy's sake, because so many people use it to have demos, sort of as a peer-to-peer system,
Right.
you can get into the checkout side of things and
Mm.
offer that ability
Dre,
to
Huh?
pay with something that no one else has.
did you
Like
get in that trade,
PayPal, of
cuz?
course, was how many people
Mm-hmm.
just carry
What'd you
PayPal
make? What
balances
percentage you
because it's
catch?
more of a way to get a
Mm.
credit card to go through. But with more and more people carrying those balances a little bit more, and so it's a way to tap into a new
Mm.
segment of customers and allow people to pay in a
Mm.
different way than maybe Shopify might.
Keep up the joke.
You ain't get in that trade, cuz, for real.
Uh,
I'm tired of giving heaters, bro. I'm tired of giving heaters, bro. Ain't nobody taking it. It's free cheese. Ain't nobody taking it, bro. I'm gonna start calling people.
well, we all took it, bro.
I know. I thought. Okay. I thought you. That's why I said you don't know what percent you
Yeah, I
made
mean,
from it.
this is going to fall in line even after that earnings event last year. They were pretty
Why
positive
is he even
on the conference call. The
entertaining
CEO,
that,
as I
Trey?
mentioned, and the stock
Nigga,
spiked
why?
initially. I believe it hit nearly 79, $80 a
It
share
did.
before reversing mid-session
Oh my
as it
god.
continued to come
What,
down.
bro?
Their data, besides
I'm,
being the
What we
seasonality
doing?
part,
What's up?
doesn't look that good. Option market prices
I didn't
Yeah.
pay it
are
For
plus or
out.
sure.
minus
Give
four
me a little
dollars
bit of
and
that.
45-cent move either way in the shares. So pretty hefty on a percentage basis here, Cap. When you look at this, how do you want to address this for an example trade?
My goodness,
Can I even
this
finish
is
my
a
cookie before I start
sparkling
talking to y'all?
downer kind of look at PayPal right now. And in the same breath as Facebook to Meta
I'm down. I'm
platforms
down. I'm down.
and
Come on.
Square to Block, they should change their name to Venmo. I really think they should because that's the value in this company right now. And so, Tom, the news is so bad, the bar is so incredibly
Oh, he
low
got you.
today that any
Yeah.
good news, and we've seen this before, any
Mm.
good news can send the stock higher, like it did a quarter ago. So, Tom, I'm doing something very similar
Right.
to what I did in Palantir, which is a call diagonal, very short, limited risk, but not no risk. It's got risk. The risk is the dip in paid. Buying the Feb 13
I
to
had a phone
15
call.
call, selling the Feb 6
Caught him a little something today.
58 call. So it's $5 wide call diagonal paid a dollar. Pitch up $1.95. It's trading about $1.85 now. So it's even paying less. But this is a way to play the divergence in the implied volatility. And when everything is negative, Tom, as you know, it takes one good message or report to send the stock back
What
higher.
the
So
hell?
that's what I'm betting on. Remember, portfolio said despite everything, they were
Yeah, he
slightly
did.
bullish. I think
This
that's the
season
case
too.
with a low bar. Anything can send this
Okay,
stock
man.
down. So a
That was
wonderful
just like
one-way
F
line,
rock.
$5 call diagonal.
Yeah, let's break down this example trade here. Sets up the same way as Evan's prior trade in
What you say,
Palantir
nigga?
also. Call diagonal taking advantage
What
of
the fuck out you?
Yep.
that
I'm
volatility
working at work.
that we talked about. But going up to the February
Yeah, I
13th,
couldn't go to work.
weekly options expire in 11 days. Buy
So you at
now,
home with us today?
strike call, just out of the money, or
I'm at
basically
work at
half the
home.
money.
I'll
It's
beat you up at
controlled
home.
bullish call purchase.
Shut up.
And then we have
Yeah,
weekly
we
options
got King
expire
Bird.
in
Yeah.
April.
I got one knock.
58 strike call,
No, you don't.
$5 wide call diagonal that sets up about with that one standard deviation move that the option market
Who that nigga
priced
talking?
in this morning.
No, Trey,
Just one
we
week life on the
multitask
call
well, bro.
diagonal. You're paying roughly about $1.95 debit, $1.85 debit
Wait,
credit
what
to
the
where
freak,
it's
bro?
trading now. The debit
I don't
pays
even know who that
weekly
is.
risk, so if you pay
Dude, the building
$1.95,
is
you're paying
crazy, fam.
$5. So less than half the width of this $5 wide bullish call diagonal. Anything above about the 54 level is going to be potential
I see him.
profitability on this trade. You can see where the apex is, where you profit the most at or near that 58 strike
Watching the
over the
backside.
next basically 4
Oh, he's about
days.
to kill me.
You'll
Jump
have
over
that
the fucking wall,
potential
man.
or opportunity to roll that short 58 strike. If you do get the move to the upside, you roll it to the next weekly cycle, creating a bullish call vertical. That'll create credits, that'll reduce risk, that'll increase potential profitability also. But directionally, the upside, but well within
Good.
that one standard
Bro, what's
deviation
going
that
on
we
with
got
PL,
to
bro?
price it in at this point. If
Bro,
you
this
think this thing
Harvey
is going
stress.
to pop and the bar is extremely low, as Kevin mentioned on this type of trade, but this
Them
is
cookies was
essentially
good, y'all.
all
You getting
diagonal, taking
liquidated.
advantage of that volume
Yeah,
dispersion where you're buying about 70%
yeah,
volatility in
a little
aggregate
bit, yeah.
on that 53 strike call that you're buying,
Oh
and
my
then the
God.
near term options that you're selling about 105%
Kid, how you doing today, brother?
volatility on aggregate in that 58 strike call that you're selling at options here. So another
Why
low
from
call
the car?
diagonal here, Diane, looking for a low
That's
bar,
material.
maybe surprise to the upside.
Might have to go get a windshield.
Yeah, we gotta think about like one of those
That's
low bars
material
that
too, bro.
you don't have to go under. This one you just have to jump over. All right, guys, good stuff. We got the breakdown coming up. Shifting gears to PepsiCo. That's got earnings due tomorrow. The question is, will investors drink up or will they forecast inflation?
Material. Yeah.
Cuz contemplating that dip, bro.
I don't know why he always does that.
You gonna go circle blazer party? Okay, well go trigger mommy then. Don't be crying. I'm gonna make you go no no. You gonna go circle mommy? Okay, you gonna lay down with daddy then. You want mommy? Okay, then go get mommy then. See what you get.
Hey, Fry.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man. The
Yeah.
price gonna make the market gonna make you liquidate.
The market's gonna make you liquidate.
Life gonna make you liquidate.
Life's gonna make you liquidate.
Yeah, man. The
No.
market gonna make you
Frost is gonna make you liquidate.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Yeah!
SportsNetwork.com and on all your favorite streaming services. Schwab Network
all eyes on
available
But
me.
you know
everywhere
I've been telling people
over
I'm a
on
side
mobile
vote,
devices.
and they've been liking that, bro.
Whether you're an experienced investor or just getting
Yeah, they
started,
do.
Charles
Some people do
Schwab
like
has
when you
the
tell them that.
podcast right for you. Platforms include
That you're a
webcasts,
sucker hook ass
storytelling,
somebody.
broadening your
They
knowledge,
like when you say that
platform
stuff like that.
features,
They don't
and
like nice
more.
guys. They like
Visit
mean guys.
Schwab. You'll learn tips and tricks from the
Don't they,
best at
Trey?
I don't like mean
schwab.com,
guys.
thinkorswim, and mobile-based platforms.
I ain't
Invest
gonna,
with
you gotta
confidence
do what I say,
and ask
bro.
questions by chatting directly with an education
Don't
coach.
still be mean
It's
guys.
interactive learning at
Yeah.
its finest. Tune in live or watch on demand. Head over to schwab.com slash
Damn, y'all still
confidence.
be mean guys.
I'm just playing. I love everybody.
Welcome back to Fast Markets, not just about results in the tech sector this week. PepsiCo is also
All
scheduled
right,
to
I'm
release
done
more
eating
than
now. What was y'all
forecast
saying
tomorrow.
about the
Snacks and
spy call
beverages
I was
giants
in?
expected to report earnings of
You got into play
224
and
per
then
share.
tell everybody
Investors
you got
key
into
in on
play,
the
but then you
outlook for
said you got into play, but you didn't get into
2026
play,
as
but you did
PepsiCo
the
works
bad
on
thing,
its
and you didn't tell
turnaround
nobody
driven
you
by
lost.
pressure from activist investors and
That's
vendors.
pretty
PepsiCo
good.
disclosed
That's
a
pretty
$10
accurate.
billion stake in Pepsi
That's
in
kind of
the
what I did too.
fall. Time
You be acting
now
like
for the
Roger.
breakdown. For that, let's go to George. So let's take a look at
What?
this one.
You
What
heard
are
me
you
on the
looking
phone.
at,
You heard me on
George?
the phone with my
All right,
man's.
George. So when you look at this one, what
What?
are we watching out
You heard me
for
getting a
in
business
earnings?
call.
Well, I mean, there's quite a few things to
Yeah, my
What
consider
man's.
does
with
that mean?
PepsiCo.
Man's. My boy, my man's.
That's
You
What?
accounting
need to
for
be careful with how
Pepsi's
you talk
weakness
to
in
people,
the
man.
dollar in
What?
accounts.
I got a
The other
girl.
thing is,
You know, I
earnings
need to
will
be careful
report
how I
maybe
talk to
more
you.
in line to
Guys
historical
and girls can
averages.
come
If you
can
look at
call
the
my
price
phone without
action the
me
last year,
being
it's
anything
fairly positive in the last year. In fact, in the
with
last
them.
30
I
days,
don't
earnings
do
year
stuff
to
with
date
other
is up
people
about
like that.
10%. So I think
I
that's
handle my
pretty
business.
good.
I am a business
There's other
owner.
organizations
I
like
got
PepsiCo
customers.
Read
You know what I'm
that
saying?
this company is a large multinational firm, but also the defensive
I
nature
got
of the
customers. You get
business.
me?
Because I did notice too that a lot of the other
Clients,
foodstuffs,
associates,
Conagra, Tyson Foods, for instance,
fellow
they've
traders,
been
investors,
quietly
and
moving higher. So for
entrepreneurs.
what it's
You
worth,
know
the
what I'm
sector itself, at least the staples or even the industry group in the food
saying?
services and food staple space seems to be performing quite well.
I be
If you
forgetting who
look
I
at
be
the
talking to
EPS
sometimes.
numbers for Pepsi, they're estimated to actually have a really
You hear
good
me, Trey?
quarter.
I be forgetting who I be talking to. These guys.
$2.54, up 14%
These
compared to
Kentucky
last year,
Fried guys.
Sales are expected to be quite robust for the quarter, more in line with 5-year averages at around
See,
4.3%,
getting you in the car with
higher
them
at
Kentucky
29
Fried
million
Gas.
versus last
No.
year's 27.8
So I
million.
be forget. I'm not saying it
Overall,
all.
sales for multifamily did take a hit
How the
as
heck you
some
get
people
that?
feel the stock seems to be working out as that stock is
But you want me to
down
say what I really did, cuz,
6 or
bro?
so.
Bitch, y'all put me on
You
the
come to the end
spotlight.
of
I'm
the
trying
year,
to wait till my stuff is
what's
ready
going on with the
to
macro
be
as we
told.
go? If you
Why
look
you
at
want me to tell you what I
fundamentals,
did before I even
pricing
did it?
has
I
moved
let
up
you know what I'm
slightly.
out of the trade, what I'm in the
Prices are a little
trade.
away from where we
Can I
targeted
do
for
that part?
2023, which may not
Or I should have
surface
just been
until
there
next
when you
week.
said.
And of course,
I think it
productivity
was
numbers
both
that
of
can
them.
really do
All
in
of
terms
them. I
of
think I should
operational
have just
management efficiencies.
got in when you said,
And
right?
lastly, I think the
All the
capital
time.
structure of the business, the capital return, if you will. One of the
But I told y'all
advantages
the plan,
is
though.
that
I
the
gotta take a
percentage
loss on my lead
dividends
so I can trade with
is
trade.
quite high, considering that this fiscal year, ironically, we're
Trade
expected to
with
earn
trade.
$90.11. So right
Yeah.
now, based on a
Well,
trailing basis,
I was
they
thinking
are
that too,
essentially
but
paying out about 100% of their
something
dividend. In
like
fact,
just what you just
the
said.
dividend payout has exceeded the earnings in the last couple of years to
Trade with trade. Who
do
gonna
one
get you
with
paid?
buying.
Trade with trade. Who
And they
gonna get you
explain why the
paid?
stock is down since
So, cuz I ain't gonna be able
2013,
to
but
give out
nonetheless
plays tomorrow
seems
because
to
I'm
be
gonna be
recovering
hitting some
here
leads. That nigga said just
quite
send them to
nicely.
me.
Looks like the
Nah, nigga said just
Federal
send them to me.
Reserve
Let me take my
estimates
own trades, man.
right now next year's earnings at
I'm
around
a guru, ain't you?
$10.10. Consensus estimates are around
I'm just
18.96
messing with you,
for
man.
earnings. Consensus
He's
estimates
just
are
messing.
only around 20%. If they do guide, that means
Bro, if we was
$2.10
anime
EPS
cartoons, boy,
for
motherfucker Ray Cloud would fall on that
say
motherfucker
moving
head, boy.
trade about
That
20
show
years
like
past earnings
See
would
here.
place the stock close to
that show
$100.
like a motherfucker hit mark on his head, boy. As soon as he said that to him, he say it to us, bro, when we need him the most, bro. He'll be like,
Okay.
I wish you the best of luck in your endeavors.
I'm just here to help, bro. I ain't gonna do it for y'all, but I'll help y'all though.
Yeah, it seems like the stock has kind of resurged a little bit. Some of the staples names
There goes
being
Tony.
protective.
Bro, what's the
You
market
know,
even
today's
doing,
one
bro? The
div
market's trying to go to
continues to trail. Remember,
697.
he's a dividend king.
And I asked y'all what y'all thought about
All
Apple, bro, but
30
Apple's
years
not really
of
doing it like
dividend
the
increases.
market
That
is doing
continues.
it
They
still, bro.
continue to do that.
The
But
market is
overall,
still going
from the
up.
recovery, the stock has moved up about 1.3%
They want to
so
go
far this year,
higher.
8% so far this
They
year.
want to go
So
higher.
had a nice little run.
They
Maybe
want to go
some
higher.
resistance right here around the 156 level. It's had that
I wish I
resistance
can
couple
buy
times
some more.
over the last
I can buy some on the
month
pullback.
here. But I look at a strategy that takes
Look at
advantage
me
of
at my fat
2.66%
stacks.
dividend yield.
I'm
You do
sitting
want
in
to
Uncle
own
Jimmy
shares to
Cadillac.
maybe create some potential
Yeah.
yield on a position of owning
Uh,
the shares if you think it is.
we
Because
ain't
it's
trading
the last
I
PL.
couple
can't
weeks
see
pretty
y'all
good as
stats
far as
either.
earnings
It's weird.
go.
We're looking
You
at
look
the
at
market
for every 100 shares of stock you buy,
street.
you're selling on the
Whatever
way
they
Get it?
call
down
it.
on
What
the
they call it?
upside.
What's
On
this
this
shit?
one, I went after the February
State
20th
Street. Oh,
forecast. That's a 318-day. You got
you
a
know
good
how we
entry.
stay
It
geeked.
sold at
Oh,
157 and a half strike call.
bro.
12 bucks out of the money to
Hey,
get
bro,
in.
I'm about to get back on
Today
this
we're up like
video. Bro, I played a
1.2%.
game of chess yesterday.
You
Because this
get
dude
in
kept staring at me with invites.
1.5.
While I was fucking playing Battlefield and whatever else I
Type
was
of
doing on the
strategy.
game. I streamed for 9
You're
hours
buying
yesterday's
shares
chat.
at a discount
Nigga
So,
said,
so I played some chess. We played a 30-minute
upside.
game. I
That's
started playing some bullets.
as far
That's
as
how I used to warm up.
right here.
Once I started playing some bullet,
as an
y'all,
example
and I
trade.
get back knowing how to play some chess again,
Position would be
it's
decent
about to
for
be a wrap, okay? I might play some bullet here in a minute, y'all. Yeah.
Find the underlying
Hold on.
because of a
I actually gotta
potential
make another source for that too.
selling me out of the money.
I don't know how I can have the
Other
market open and a
businesses,
chess.
you know,
We got to
the,
get rid of the
the
market
reason
for
they
chess.
are doing this
To my right, to my right.
trade and not a cash secured put is because of the dividend. Now,
Oh my god, bro.
that's
I
a
missed the
petty
game.
thing
My
to look
bad.
at. It
What's
doesn't
up?
guarantee the
Shoot them dudes,
trade,
bro.
but it certainly
Oh
seems
my
like
god.
a
Shoot them
trade.
anyway, bro.
Now, you're
Can you shoot
buying
people on
for
Battlefield
a
too, bro?
long-term play. Remember,
Cause I threw a
as the
grenade on my
stock
teammates
goes
yesterday.
and you're
Nah,
when
he
you
can't cook.
I'm sorry, when
For
you
real,
get to
did.
February 20th, you can
Well, I think,
expect
yeah, on PUBG, you can
He cut
shoot
him
your
off.
teammates, but
slow
I
and
seen that happen a couple
They
times.
split
depending
him
on
off. He's shooting
what
someone
you
else.
own the stock, you can sell or fall
No, no, no,
religiously
no, no, no.
against
This
it.
guy right here.
And each time you do, you chip away at the net debit, you chip away at the break even of that
Crack,
trade.
crack, crack,
And
crack,
so
crack.
Yeah, it is. Oh my God, look at this
Next is the dividend yield.
RSI's
Okay,
up
we're
here,
here at
bro.
220. Measured break even, so you're buying the shares at a discount here
Man,
with the expectations that you
ain't
create
that
yield
what?
on selling the upside call against it and
Oh shit.
also the dividend, potential dividend that you have. And remember, capital intensive, about $15,200 in risk if the stock were to go to zero somehow there.
Oh, they're getting shot at again, bro.
Gosh, why are you taking puts?
Yo, what's up? He's on the block, I think.
Told you, bro.
Yeah.
Almost Apple go. We go, bro. I told y'all that. That's what's making the
Yeah,
market
he's hurt
move.
on my block. Oh no way.
Where can he be
Nice.
at, bro?
He's hurt bad. You got him.
Schwab Bank
He
Investor
done
Checking
hated.
Nice.
Account checking
Good
account
boy.
built for investors. Named highest in client satisfaction by J.D. Power for 7 years in a row. With Investor Checking, you get the award-winning features of our checking account, plus cash management solutions, all designed for investors like you. With unlimited ATM fee rebates for cash withdrawals worldwide, no overdraft fees, and enhanced security features to keep your money safe. Also, because your investor checking account is linked to your Schwab One brokerage account, you
Oh,
can
this is
manage your
crazy.
checking and investing in one convenient
Adios.
location. Moving funds between your accounts is easy. Cash
I do
withdrawals
too,
are
bro.
easy.
I ain't gonna lie to
Adios
you.
off these guys here.
That means you can stop
I'm coming back.
waiting
I'm coming back.
and
I
start
need
investing in stocks,
all what you
bonds,
said.
money market funds, and more. Get more
Got him.
with
Nice.
Schwab Bank
That
Investor
call? Okay,
Checking,
nice, nice,
the
nice.
checking account built for investors.
Nice. Yeah, they are. I just seen that heels. I like Jesus Christ.
Welcome to Schwab Network, a real-time
This guy
market
had
coverage
bad
and
heels.
expert strategies from the opening bell to the closing bell. We've got you covered. Get inside the minds of pro traders.
Yeah,
My point is that they're
Jesus
getting
Christ.
a higher rate of change in sales based on their guidance.
Trey, how was your
Same
breakfast?
ratio WBS.
Take that.
Follow
It
the
was good,
biggest
cuz.
headlines, live
It was 5
analysis,
minutes.
They
breaking
all
news,
free
and
chicken.
sharp trade
Yeah.
ideas minutes before
Ah,
open.
man.
Shield ready for action, break it all down in real time with speed,
My mom used to make big
accuracy,
old
and
breakfasts
precision.
growing
I
up.
think one of the most important
Like
things
really
is
big
that
ones
you
like
play
that.
in a risk-defined way here going into earnings. So
Ginormous.
downside area to watch.
Hot insights, actionable
Be
data,
already sleeping
and
and wake up to
lightning
something like
in
that.
just a snappy dose.
Making my chest hurt
Yeah, I don't
because
have
the,
any
Schwab Network,
that much
streaming
appreciate it.
24/7,
the
anytime,
smell going through the
anywhere,
house.
free. SchwabNetwork.com.
Trick said, what is that smell the other day? But he had some bacon on over there. Boy, back in the day, like when the bacon hit, when they was making bacon, bro, it was making my chest hurt, bro. That's how I knew bacon
Yeah.
was
Oh,
getting
I think
made.
they were Cookies though. I think came through this the way that it came from. Yeah, we got a push all the way back. They're like gas now. No shot, bro.
Live insights, actionable data, and market-moving analysis. Schwab Network connects the headlines to the block
Alright,
in real time.
market's tired of
Free
going up
24/7
now, bro.
at SchwabNetwork.com.
Market's tired of going up. And it's
Got
1
one cracked
o'clock.
on me. He's low. He's low. He's low. Right here. Right there. He's low right there. He's finishing me. Bro, 12 rounds is just not enough. Nice. Look on the hill to your right, Kenny.
Bro, the market is
Down the hill to your right.
looking
Behind you. To your
garbage,
right.
bro.
Yep.
Ooh, look at Bitcoin. That's a nice old bounce.
Next at Investing, I'm Jenny Horn alongside Alex Coffey. And
I was
Alex,
down
looking
here.
at
I
our
had bought
markets
down
here, we're
here
actually seeing a pretty nice
in Bitcoin.
green session. It's not panning out to
It's a
complete
nice old bounce.
solid session at least this morning, but we've seen
Damn, AC
some
was in here. He could have
reversal
sent
to
me
the
an
left of
invite.
this
Shit,
market.
got
We
me
are
messed up.
higher
Y'all
now in
need to be trying to
all
hoop
of
for
our
real
major
or nothing.
averages, with strength being led by the
Yeah.
Russell, which is up 1.5% now. Dow also up 1%, as well as the Nasdaq and the S&Ps up
Good
about
try.
0.7%, with no participation from Meta, Microsoft, Netflix, Tesla, or Nvidia.
Good kiss, Tony.
So
Yeah,
amazingly
we had
so,
it
tech really participating at all today in today's upside, at least.
Yeah, I think today, from a big mega cap standpoint, stocks like S&Ps and Nasdaq, today it's really a story of Oracle and sort of the initial reaction to the story that came out, which we're not going to cover today. So the big story in Oracle is more money is getting borrowed, and the initial reaction was fear around that. Since you have seen the stock recover, so to me, this particular chart, this intraday look at Oracle, is really correlated to the performance intraday of the overall market. As the S&Ps, as the Nasdaq stabilized, it really was the market becoming more comfortable with this idea of more and more leverage in this AI trade. And that's essentially, to me, what this Oracle move symbolizes, which is, hey, there's a lot of contracted work that needs to be done in this AI moves and big, build out. But there's not necessarily the money yet to actually do some of that. And so they have a lot of cloud contracts. They got to build data centers and stuff so they have the capacity and the infrastructure to fulfill those ultimate goals. And the fact that the market sees a plan, the credit agencies gave them pretty much the same ratings that they've had, which is sort of this medium grade within in that world. All in all, I think it was a positive. Now, the breadth of the market is relatively
If you were sexually
consistent
abused
throughout
while
the
in a
day,
juvenile
55-ish
detention
percent,
facility,
57
you
in
may be
real time.
entitled to
ITM on the front
$580,000
is
or more.
doing so without NVIDIA, without Microsoft, without Meta, which is really interesting.
It is interesting, and that's actually the thing I feel like when we started this week off, and then well, of course, like last week, we were like, well, we have a lot of major catalysts to get through throughout the week, and I will say that our big laggard of the bunch was, of course, Microsoft following its earnings. Apple was good,
Trading with
Surface
Trey
still had a record
Frost,
quarter as far as its iPhone
Yes,
Kentucky
sir.
Fried
revenue,
Turkey.
and then we saw
Man, we over here, we
the
ain't never
smaller
getting
version
lucky.
of the story,
This
which is
ain't that
Trade Plus
gamble.
really
It's a
committed
skill.
to for
You
its
seeing the
real
coldest
push
for
into
real.
autonomy and broader robotics. So
Yeah, you know how
still a
we
lot of pieces
deal.
to like, I think, especially when you
Yeah,
zone in on some of
flexing,
these very key
dominating,
components like
resilience. Every
cryptocurrency.
man got his
Yesterday,
own
the stock is still the one
journey.
that
Man,
soars
we
its
over
full
here.
gate, but seeing a bit of a reversal on Friday, and then today or taking off maybe some of those jitters.
Riding a
So
little bit more on this
Saturday
push.
actually kicking off another week of a
I'm ready to
jam-packed
get
schedule
out of
as
it.
far as earnings.
Finally.
Not as much of the small
Finally.
cap names reporting, but still a lot
I'm
of
ready to get out.
smaller, more mid-tier names
What
to
you up
get
on it?
through. So we'll kick things off as always with a refresher on some of these
I
mega
am
cap names as well as this
down.
earnings movement and analyst takeaways. We'll also then be charting and
I am
trading Pfizer as
down.
well as Merck, both ahead of their earnings releases expected tomorrow morning. And we'll also dive into AMD, which
So
is a name
something
that's
kind
been
of
on
fun to see
quite a
I'd
bit of
here.
advise
targeting
more on this,
also.
but this ain't
Watch
good.
this
Just
now.
under
Earnings tomorrow
hundred
I'm
thousand
not seeing my
dollars.
further
profit.
will test,
So
of
right
course,
here,
for
these are
a company that is trying
3,000
to
ounce
really
bars,
eat away at
which
some
is
of
just under
Nvidia's
$100,000
dominance in
right
the
now.
broader
And then compare
GPU
that to
world. We're going to discuss Palantir and all the expectations for Palantir into its earnings release today after the close of the
Bro, the
bell,
spot is going
as
to
well as
97
Columbia
today. This is
Financial, which is
wow.
actually seeing a pretty nice pop today after some news of its earnings as well as just some broad-based M&A. So a lot to get through, some wide coverage for the next hour or so, but we'll start things off here with Apple actually seeing a 2% move to the upside to start off this, of course, trading month and this trading week. Now, we're seeing
Apple
from most
upgrades
reviews that
to
Apple
neutral.
could be continuing to really foray into India specifically as
They
well as
upgraded to neutral. What does that
their
mean?
tax exemptions actually bode well for some of these various contract manufacturers, but also I
Yo,
think
okay,
Apple
Bert.
just trying to further its push into
Get his ass up out of there.
semiconductors.
He ain't good for
But
nothing,
aside
for
from that,
real.
we also got some news from
He
Philips
come in being
Securities as they
negative.
did upgrade shares to
That's
neutral
what's wrong with
given
him.
the
He's negative.
strong growth we're seeing in iPhone 17
I'll
as
really
well as
smack the crap out of
the
him
longer
and Joe
monetization story as well as the potential
and
for
Hydra
larger
and Lewis.
collaboration
That'd
with
be nice.
Gemini, which was further disclosed actually last week on their earnings call when they did
Only
some
cool
very
person at the
interesting
group is Cole.
boost that partnership. I know that the street really wants to hear more about their own independent offerings as far as AI and that Siri chatbot, which is delayed until this spring, I believe. But I mean, if you take the tone from their earnings release last week and you say, hey, iPhone, which is still a huge portion of their sales, still hugely been positive as far as the revenue numbers and the expectations are going forward, as well as we're still seeing services
Hey,
actually
bro, where the
holding
hell
key
is he
for their
going?
growth story. Then you go into some of the
What happened?
smaller, the wearables, your Macs, your iPads that are not growing at the same clip, but I'd say the story is still
Bro, is Chucky
dominated
trying to
by
send us his trade or
determining
something, bro?
where most of their revenues derive from, and that's the iPhone.
Hey, you look at where this stock's trading, it's the highest point it's been since the 6th of January
like he's trying to show that he made money off us. Okay. He made $120. No, he made four. He made almost $400.
Nice.
He got one position that he sold, two positions that he sold for 176, and two that he sold for 295.
He's Craggy, he's dead.
I,
I
I'm
see this
telling
guy
him
right here.
he should let me hold some and we should have lunch.
That's two guys right there. There's three. There's a whole team coming up here. Right here. He's hitting a zip. He's hitting a zip on us now. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Oh, okay. I get what you're saying. I'm going to push this. I got another one cracked. I got another one. Another one knock. Knock, 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 knock. I'm reloading. Yep, yep. It's only one. He got a retake.
Nah, we out here at work.
Knock, knock,
Right,
dead,
right,
dead, dead,
right.
dead. Nice, nice. I'll pick you up.
Oh, bring your butt right here.
This guy.
Oh, now Microsoft is a buy right now.
Good stuff, boys. Yeah, yeah. Oh, let me get these. Let me get this.
This is trying to break out, bro, right here. Almost 15 minutes. This range is trying to break out right here. This is like right there. This is where it could be a pull up. Excuse me. This could be a pullback right here at the top. Again, or it could actually break out. This is the second tap right here. Third tap right there. Fourth tap.
Oh, okay. That's pretty good. That's a two gap.
It, bro, Apple should break out today. What is going on? I know it's overbought today though, but I'm on this 4 hour chart. But on the weekly, this is a buy right now though, bro. If they rip today, this is gonna be crazy. They trying to. It's making the market go. That's the crazy thing about it. It's making the Qs go. Apple is making the market move, bro. Apple got a breakout right here.
The stock is kind of a lot more reasonable in terms of valuation.
Yeah, and I mean, again, to your point, we talk so much about the volumes in this market, some of the names that carry these premium price tags. I mean, look no further than a lot of the new names in big tech, but right now,
It's
Microsoft, I mean,
triangle.
relatively affordable, again, just given some of the historical margins.
Well, and I'm not saying that the results maybe aren't
Wow,
disappointing
it's
relative to
fine on
other
this
reasons.
5 minute.
I'm
Boy,
not
the
arguing
Bulls
that.
is
I'm
coming in
saying
on this 5 minute.
it's the exact same story that's been held.
Trey, help me.
2.5, 3 weeks ago, you loved it, and the story hasn't changed. I don't get how at 10, 12, 15% cheaper, it's not a much more interesting purchase.
I completely agree, and I think only further backed by the fundamental story. Not saying that
Bro, can he even look at Apple, yo?
warranted. I mean, I think a lot of them is going to pull back substantial, but nothing within
I know.
their earnings
I mean, you
profile
did come in here, right?
moderating pace of growth for their business coming.
What, 39 to
My
38?
bad, bro.
And I mean, you're talking 38,
Well, I wish you the
39%
best of luck in doing doubles when you disappear on us,
companies
then.
that aren't trillion dollars
Let me help you
their
with
market
that.
cap
Let's
or
get you up out of here.
would
Yeah,
dream
give
of.
me a
And so,
minute, right?
I get more so your price these days, but also, I mean, like, they're selling out big
Yeah, I
fast.
know we're harping on this, but this is where the only pushback I would have is, okay, so if we're going to question maybe it shouldn't have been
Hey, yo,
trading
Trey.
where it was before, that's a different question. But it was there for a
Huh?
while, and it's been
Where can
disappointing
people
for a
go?
while. I guess where I'm having
Okay.
trouble is it's not
Uh, we got him up
Nvidia's
out of here,
Nvidia
didn't
or
we?
the other businesses are very different.
Nah, fuck
Nvidia
that.
was growing at
Oh,
like
not you, you did.
40%, and then now it's
Did
down
you
to
just
like
die?
40 or 50%.
I got him up out of here, yeah.
The story.
Oh my
That's
god.
decelerating, even though the numbers are still astronomical. Microsoft's basically been like 25%, 30%,
Got
35%,
him up out of
35%,
here.
38%, 39. Like it
See,
hasn't
look, when
come
you get
down
people out of here,
by
sometimes it
zero
touch
numbers. So
they
to
soul a little
me,
bit.
I would
That's
I
what
would say
Tucky
this
said,
is kind
bro.
of the same story Microsoft says every quarter, and suddenly now it's the like second biggest
They touch
volume
they soul when they get
raised
kicked out.
quarter. It's like the other time you see Microsoft moves, it's like
Oh
COVID,
shit.
the dot-com, the 1987 crash. It's like one of these is not the same.
Yeah, and I mean, and then the fact that another company like Meta, for example, could come out and say basically the same thing,
Right.
and just, I mean, like,
Oh, and they're
actually,
spending like $150 billion.
right? I mean, like their capex spend, I think this year was like north of like 120 to 150 billion dollars, and that was seen fine. I mean, Microsoft or Meta, excuse me, on the same day was actually up 10% on discussion. So it always gives us a lot to talk about when we get these huge earnings strings. I think that's why it's such an interesting time of year, but. We'll at least there for our Microsoft conversation now into
Oh y'all see him out hit him
McDonald's,
for the
another
second.
one of these M names, a very different story. McDonald's today, up modestly here on the session, about 0.3%, but BTIG getting more optimistic, actually upgrading shares to buy from neutral, $360 price target, telling investors that the
McDonald's
first
is
franchise
upgraded
test
to a
suggests
buy.
changes to the value and promotions. That overall
Bro, I kind
strategy
of
is
want a big
driving significant
McDonald's.
traffic
I kind of
growth
want a
on
Big
a
Mac
more
right now, for real.
consistent basis. They do expect the
That
change
might
in
be what we're
value
gonna
strategy
I
eat.
and
cracked the
perception
guy
to
that
lead
shot
to
at
a
you.
more
That's what
meaningful
we're gonna
earnings
have for
growth
dinner
for
when we
the
go to
company.
the.
And they believe since at least
What?
2023,
That stock
they're
should be
also
zeroed.
additionally optimistic that
Headshot
the
the
new
second
Cosmic
guy over there.
beverage platform will launch in the first half of this year and provide then
Oh,
another
I'm
major
not by where
catalyst for
Tucker.
U.S. same-store sales and transactions. And so they have,
I'm on
unfortunately,
my
with
way.
a
I
more
love McDonald's.
low-cost, really low-margin type of business structure, they don't have the wiggle room to
I
work
can
with
afford
when you
everything,
have, of
but
course,
Go ahead.
products that are available for
I
$1
grew
or
up on McDonald's
$2.
too, though.
Doesn't
Like,
feel like that's even a
for
thing
Big
anymore
Macs when
in
I was,
these major cities, but
you know what I'm
it is
saying?
something that
When we was
exists.
on the
And
road
here,
going to our
many
chess
prices go up
tournaments, we had Big Macs
substantially,
and stuff.
especially for things like their McDouble,
And we
their
had
chicken
McDonald's breakfast.
nuggets. I mean, like it's like weird pockets of their menu that have seen surge in price
Look
by like
at Cindy.
200% over the last 5 years.
Bro, he
They're
tried to
now
send the
trying to
games that he got
relaunch
off
a
us.
more value-oriented type of menu that focuses on
He
the consumers that are
trying to stun
not
on us,
going to
for real.
McDonald's because they're seeking the highest quality meal. They're seeking value, frankly. And I think that strategy, as mentioned by PTAG, is
Tell
something
him
that they see
I'm about
paying
to
off. But
text
we
in
do
that
get
message
earnings for
that
this
he didn't
name
have his
for, I
name on
believe
that
it's
account
now like
either,
a
so we
week
don't
or
know
so, so we have some
whose
time there. But
games those are,
something
for
to
real.
still, I think, be mindful of. The
Yeah.
prices have actually been okay this so far this earnings period.
Yeah, and the only thing that gives me a little bit of pause for this
The
company,
Kentucky Fried
granted
Dude.
that it's a bit more of it's stable. It's something that's a little bit more
That's what I was
steady.
saying.
Maybe the growth isn't the same. I mean, clearly not the same level as some of these AI companies. Is this stock
That's what I'm saying. I
essentially
don't
going to
know why he
manage
doing
$30
that.
a share? And if you look at maybe the last 3
He
years,
could be do.
it's certainly spent its
Stop.
time kind of
He could be
bouncing
doing
off
anything.
that level, but not really
Meta
getting
just
too
hit the
far from it. And so you look at where the lows of the year were right around 300. Now we did spend the majority of the last
No, it wasn't people. I
kind of
think he
lost
just
the
said that
midpoint
about
about
you though.
300,
But that was crazy. He
305.
said that.
So perhaps trying to break out above that range, what was
Yeah, I didn't believe he
previously
said. I
support
I
from the
couldn't
first
believe
half of
that.
this chart, or resistance rather, in the first half
That's what it
of the
was.
last
I
3
think.
years, has now become more of a
I think
support
it was a
level.
little bit of
But
that.
we're above that, and it continues to find its way back there. So I'm not saying that's going to happen again. But you got earnings in 9 days. I wouldn't be surprised if
I
they
think that's what it
disappoint
was.
if you suddenly saw this stock trading near 300
Make
again.
sure.
Yeah, and you're right. This is one of those, like we always joke, that there's a few names that just tend to go back to these levels that we recognize and we know very well. That has also been the case somewhat for McDonald's, although still actually at least higher on a 52-week basis. Now,
Oh.
discussion because we haven't gotten a ton of earnings yet. At least that's
Hey,
the
tell
story
them I'm
that
the
confuses
coldest.
me, but
And tell them
lots
to
of news.
don't
I
forget
will
to
say that
subscribe.
going through
Tell
these
them
earnings
donate.
numbers this morning, it's such a great refresher of how
All right,
huge
all
this
right, all
company
right, all
is,
right.
because you could go into like basically
Yeah, I'll
their
bring you.
experiences division of their business, and that could be enough to talk for like 5 whole minutes about just that aspect of their report. They're so entrenched
Yeah.
in the broader media
I
and
think
entertainment world.
Apple
But all in all, did see revenue rise 5% year over
can
year.
bounce
Just
today
earnings top expectations.
and
We
break
actually saw
above.
GAAP
We get
earnings
one
though
more
slightly
retest at this
lower than
level
what
at
we saw a year ago.
265.
But experiences, which
We're breaking
includes their
above
parks,
it.
resorts, cruises, that hit record revenue around 10 billion for the first time ever. We
One
also
more
saw this was
retest.
powered by domestic theme parks with higher attendance and stronger per capita spending. International visitation though did soften a bit here.
Cause
Now,
the
as
market don't
far as
want to
their
go down right
streaming, we
here.
did see some elements that were favorable. I mean,
It just
Disney
don't.
Plus and Hulu saw about 13% subscription
I'm
revenue
looking
growth
right
thanks
at
to
it,
various
man. It
pricing and
just don't
bundles.
want to go down
Segment
right here.
profitability was also huge, reversing years of losses.
They
And
want to go
management is
higher.
guiding roughly 500 million in operating income next quarter for their streaming business. Now, major films in 2025, which include the latest installment of Avatar, Lilo and Stitch, now Zootopia 2, those each cleared out roughly $1 billion at global box offices. Zootopia 2 alone, though, was fueling $1.7 billion, and a lot of enthusiasm tied to their Disney Plus engagement. ESPN 2, I thought this was interesting, saw the most watched college
Bro, I
football
was just
regular
talking
season
about
since
something, bro.
2011.
Tucky's
I
funny, bro.
didn't care about
I'm
that
glad
because
he's
it's
having
not
a good day,
their like
bro.
cash cow of their
And that's
business.
why
But
I
also
envisioned
finally
when I told him
confirming
about the
reaffirming
market
really
in the
that
first
their
place.
leadership is
You
going
know,
to see the business
I was just like, bro, this is gonna be great for
Josh
anybody who
DeMario as their next
starts
CEO,
investing and learns how to
who's
day
based
trade
on
and
their
all that,
parts
bro.
division
Like,
of
bro,
their
this is
business.
just gonna
So
make you happy. It's
his
gonna
thought
change your
on
life.
there was
I'm glad he can
definitely
find
releasing
joy and have joy off
it's
this.
time
You
to
know what I mean?
rid himself of that responsibility. He came back, of course, as the CEO
You hear me, chat?
after
I'm
about
talking to
taking
y'all, chat.
control several
I
years
know
ago.
I'm talking to y'all,
But
chat.
he said basically we're in a much stronger
Real,
position as
talking to
a
you too,
company
Joe.
than we
How
were
you
3
doing,
years
Joe?
ago. Time to leave, and we know that there's been whisperings, rumors of his replacement coming. So I think
Man,
definitely clearing that hurdle, we finally got.
Throughout the country.
I
So
had to
that's
tell
something
him.
to
I had to
consider.
tell him to have some money. Yeah,
Seeing the ever-changing landscape of
I believe
college
that.
athletics, but from an earnings performance standpoint, down
But Kiva don't got no
the
money
last
though,
Yeah.
bro.
eight
He be showing fake
reports.
accounts.
In the case for
I really
Disney,
do be got some like
6.7%
having money because
decline, this
you
most
know I'm the
recent month,
coldest.
and then of course the near 8% decline last time around. So
And
earnings not
my
super
disability
friendly to Disney
can be
shareholders.
proven.
I was going to say, I thought that, but I'm glad you put that into context because it's not felt like this has been a huge earnings winner by any means, and I think there's great context there, and I have to say go Big Ten as to people that went to school in the Big Ten. I'm finally glad to see some lessening of that SEC dominance on just that national stage. But we'll leave it there for the top of our show today. Coming up next, time to discuss two names in our broader healthcare world with earnings out tomorrow morning. Pfizer as well as Merck. Merck actually having a pretty decent session today of 2%. Pfizer basically now unchanged.
Bro, you know that that Texas Roadhouse, bro. You know I was eating on that for like 4 or 5 meals, bro.
South Texas.
Yeah, about this suggestion, bro.
Haven't had that in about 2 years. It's good. I love a good, a nice ribeye steak. That's some loaded sweet potato.
Yeah, they only bought two bucks. I was mad about that. They bought two things of butter and $2. I was like, bro. I said, why y'all bring all this butter and no buns?
I saw them inside fucking corner too.
I
Yeah,
was
bro,
happy
like
though.
Walmart or Sam's Club.
Invest your way with Schwab. Whether you're a bull or a bear, you'll want to catch the latest
I
market
would at
action
least
on
got like
Morning
8 rolls.
Movers with me, Diane King Hall,
I
live
had to
from the
toast me
floor of the
some
New York
bread
Stock Exchange,
and
only on
so I
Schwab
can eat
Markets.
that butter, boy. Hey. Oh shit, boy. I've been eating out the pantry, boy, for too long, boy. Getting some good food every once in a
Welcome back
while
to
is
Next Gen
fine, boy.
Investing. It's now time for our
Appreciate it
chart
a little bit
master.
more.
Joining us, of course, is Victor Cat for a fresh look at the technicals and two names reporting
Going back to
tomorrow
being
morning, this
responsible.
being Kaiser as well as Merck. And so I will say that, well, these are very different stories. Obviously, they were similar world in the subsector of the
It's
broader
my turn to
economy.
buy with
They're
next
actually
gen.
a
So that's what I'm
bit
trying to
more
make some
similar
money
throughout
now.
the
So I
year,
can buy
both
the
names
table
up
with
about
next gen.
5.65, 7% moving forward. It's 2026. So, Rick, walk us through some similarities and differences that you're seeing when assessing these two names from a
I think
technical
case is
perspective.
looted.
Right, so after the shake-up from the tariff news announcement settled down somewhat, here you can see that was this area, you could draw a trend line starting with the lows, mostly that you can connect to this kind of upward grind. You can see that for now, we are near the upper edge of the boundary of this pattern here. You could also draw an accompanying line going across these highs. That gives us a rising wedge type shape, a very mild one, almost sideways here. But that would be two of the general boundaries that you could keep an eye on. You could also say here our recent relative highs, 2683, stand out as a potential high water mark here for the bulls to cross over. Meanwhile, to the downside, 26, high point here, and we also hit highs there several times as well. So that's a repeated notable supportive area here for the bulls to consider if things do go awry with
Oh, that
earnings.
killed me. I grabbed
Beyond
the
that,
freaking
25
thing.
roughly is the next low area where price repeatedly bottomed out. Meanwhile, if you were to go further upside, in this case, 2737 marked our best close during the past 52 weeks. So another area to consider to the upside. When we look at our moving averages that we follow here, we can see that our weekly 5-day EMA in blue
Damn, bro, they
is
are
starting
pulling
to
two today.
outpace
Alright.
lower peers.
Alright, so
Mostly they have
Microsoft
been
is a buy.
trending sideways
They
and
recommend
lumped
Microsoft as a
together
buy.
here, but now we're starting to
I'm
see
gonna
them
look at
diverge. Now,
averages for
however, it
Microsoft
is kind of a strange
shares.
salt to consider this